Today, tomorrow no more. If I die today, I will die no more. Today, tomorrow no more. If I die today, I will buy no more. Akachi Jareto, Akpatwake, Jareto. Hey, what did they say? What did they happen for you?
Now, so you go enjoy enter grave like this tonight.
What did happen? What did I do? Who na be?
Your fuck up done too much for this village, and I go run into you like this with the police.
Wait, you won't run me for my cabin? You dey mad? You won't run me for my cabin? You dey mad? Eh? You won't run me for my cabin? You not fear? You not fear?
Sorry.
You not fear?
Sorry.
Eh?
Hey, sorry.
Walk from here. Come on. If this trap, come out for this place. Your father. I'm not well, oh. Go ask question. I'm not well. You don't whine. I for bust your brain with this thing. Better meat when I catch today. Omo, na pepper soup oh.
Hey, give me her bread and her head at once. Start!
Please don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me. Hey, you move, hey. What did you come for this place?
I'm very sorry.
You dey mad?
Please, I'm sorry, man.
For my cabin? For my papa forest? For my great-grandpapa forest? You won't keep person. You be ritualist. It don't be for you.
Very sorry. Please.
Oh, die her! Eh?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Why you dey kill people? Why you dey kill people? I ask you, they tell me sorry. How many people you don't kill?
Hey! Who there? Hey!
No, give me.
Hey!
Eh?
Hey, I'm here.
Give me.
My helper.
Your helper, give me.
My helper, they don't kidnap him.
Hey!
Hey! Chifomeko, they don't kidnap him.
Chima!
Chifomeko! Hey!
Hey!
What is happening?
Chifomeko promised me to help me with money to go to the city. Mbito business. Now they don't kidnap him. What I want to do?
Hey! For me go kidnap.
Hey, God.
What is going on? What is happening in this our town, eh? Why is kidnapping trending so much? I'm getting
What is very bad?
Eh?
What the more than bad?
Hey!
Destiny help our people. Destiny help and them mother mommy.
Hey!
Hey!
Anybody that is doing this thing, eh? Thunder will fire them.
Amen.
Holy Ghost fire.
Fire.
Hey!
Fire, Okotoba.
A man with a good heart, a very good man.
Destiny help a mommy.
Hey!
Destiny help a mommy.
Hey! I got you. I got you. Hey!
She's alright. She's in hotel occupation one. The better man, Destiny help me.
Mama, I dey come. Look after Mama. It don't be oh.
Hey! Follow her.
Mommy, I cannot follow her.
Okay.
She is fine. I bet she is fine.
What is it? Why would you follow? Follow your cousin sister so I cannot.
You know everything she talk. Look after Mama, I dey come. Nah, they talk where she talk for you, Mama.
Osim she ribuku aweginani food. Follow your cousin sister same food. Ribuku aweginani. Can we tell them? I was follow down. Problem that no.
Otama! Where are you going? Eh? I was coming to the house now.
I will go check something.
By this time, I'm not saying I'm hunting it, they go. Yeah?
See, I don't get time for this long talk. No waste my time. When I come, go talk.
Eh? Utonwa! Hey! Catch big one, oh! Catch big one! Butelo, obolo kumadi, butelo.
David, what kind of useless boyfriend are you? You are foolish, you are useless, you are an idiot, you are nothing, you are broke! Listen, I'm done with this old nonsense called relationship. I can't be in this kind of relationship with you. You can't even afford to buy me the latest GLE in town. And you call yourself the latest big boy in town.
Babe, what are you saying? What are you asking me to do for you? I should get you the latest GLE? Are you for real? Where will I see that kind of money from? You know what I and my father has been facing. Things has not been easy for us. If not for your father, we would have gone bankrupt.
And that is why you need to stay off any relationship. Because you don't deserve that. You are so broke. You can't even take care of a woman, especially a woman like me. So please, I'm done with you. I'm done with this rubbish called relationship.
Babe, please. Don't do this. You know we're planning to get married. You know, right?
Married? With who? With me? It's not going to work. The marriage is not going to work. Excuse me. Excuse me!
Just calm down. Why are you doing all these things? Babe! Babe!
Open the gate.
Nah.
I said open the gate.
Wait. We might go for fun.
Look at this guy. I said open the gate.
What the man confirm? What did I got say to me? Come on,
You don't want to see the other side of me, right?
I don't understand though. I don't. This one what we say. This you have to enter your you join the shop like person where man dog fight.
What's wrong with you?
No, why won't I slap him?
What's wrong with you, Benis? What has gotten over you? Listen, you need to calm down. This is not a plan. This is not what our parents want from us.
Oh, I don't care anymore. I don't care. Look at you. You can't even afford yourself a new car. A broke ass nigga, that is what you are. Open the gate.
Okay.
Don't open that gate. Don't try it.
Open that gate.
Don't try it.
I don't want to
We need to talk. You need to calm down. What is it?
Fine. Since you don't want me to drive with my car, I will use the cab. And you bear the consequences, idiot, broke ass nigga.
Benis.
And you.
Benis! Benis! Don't open that gate.
No, I'm not opening the gate though.
Benis!
Okay, leave and make it go. Since when we say you won't follow the small gate, fine, go, thank you. Okay, you come here. Okay, see, let me tell you, if not for one thing, if not as she slapped me,
I forgive her back tower. If I slap her, she will turn 360 degree. Jared here, I'm telling you.
You would have slapped my wife to be.
She's an idiot.
Okoye,
Sir?
my wife to be is an idiot.
No, sir. It's not okay. Just, your wife to be a Oga, I should not go now. I beg you. This one time for you to get fresh air. If you're by church, you get someone with a sin for church. If this can't happen, come go. You go like this. Oh God, be the glory, great things He has done. Am I not going to do that? I'm not saying about that. I'm just that is so much to do. Oh God, idiot. See, not when you see here again, you go slap me. Slap me again, make it sweet. You go do. Muku, can you imagine? It's just going to slap me. Best way, we don't old enough to be a papa.
Now this spot, now this very place it happen. I know what I see. I be God they try to give me signal. And now let me come here. How kidnapping go they happen for my cabin, for my forest? I no agree, oh, I go comb this forest and they mad. After when I first saw sight, now he kill. It don't be oh for that person. If I catch you, you are gone.
How far now? Biko. Start to they come. They come, I beg. They come, mom. They come now. I person do that. Nobody in the house. Only me. In fact, as far as this house is concerned, na me dey here. No be na we dey here. Na me dey here. You ain't got attack about them, ma. Oh, come. Come. I'm telling you. They come now. Which one say we go do for room we get AC? My room get AC dam. Chineke. As I tell you, say nobody there. Oh, make. Okay, now that place what abi? No wahala, no shaking. Just come and go tag it, tag the master bedroom. Pam. The AC where they keep person. I'm telling you. Wait, me will discuss this. No, see. Wait, now, let me call you. Come down, see. Now 3,000 I hold for hand, 3,000 I in my hand. Then when we do finish, later I go balance you 2K. No, now, make I no agree with you, I no fit do. Now 3K, I in my hand. You understand? So after when we don't do finish, later I go balance you 2K. You agree, I mean, just tell me, you agree, I mean, no agree, make I know. If you don't agree, make I, because as the body they me here now, every part of my body they at attention now. If they do me, if you don't agree, make I call another person.
Where is your bandage?
I'm not coming with you.
Why now? Oh, go and buy bandage, eh?
Mama, what about Akachi?
She went out with her gun now. She will soon be back.
All right.
You know, if it's Akachi now, you'll be crying, be screaming.
Mommy, Akachi say you should take care of me. 12 Akugo.
Che, they are funny.
Ma.
Yellow mefe.
Mommy, I go there.
Let her bring the bandage so that we'll wrap it. Okay, you will be fine. Huh?
Mommy, before she come and put food. I go to the
Izuna. Izuna. Izuna.
Ma.
How many times?
3.
See me, Rupo.
Ejike, stop now. We can't do this thing in the bush. Stop now.
Let us do this thing now. What is
Why? Why bush?
Stop.
Ejike, stop it! Oh, Ejike, don't do this. What now? If you move, I go scatter your head. You mad. You won't spoil my bush. You don't understand me be the queen of this bush. You want muke? Not be say the girl will agree. You won't forcefully muke the girl. It is called rape. Stand up. We dey go meet your papa.
Oh, I can't kill him. What is all this now?
You dey craze? You dey follow me talk? Pass. Pass.
I can't. I'm not like this thing.
I say move. Come and fire you. If I hear your voice, I go blast for you. You're not a mad. Hey, you won't spoil my forest. Very irresponsible boy.
I can't leave me.
You dey mad? This gun is not. I go kill you. I know they follow you play. Come on, move. Ready? See this my gun is loaded. If I hear your voice again, I go blast us.
I can't leave you. I can't leave you.
And they call your papa house. You go see. Ejike.
David, you must marry that girl. I'm serious.
Daddy, it seems you're not getting my point here.
I don't want to get your point.
Bernice is the only girl that I have for you. She has sound background and she's highly reputable. I hope you get that. Because I wonder why you always having issues with every woman that you date. And you know, I'm not getting younger. So I am tired of all this, the idea of today another one, tomorrow another one. I don't want to. But I'll let you know this. If you don't marry Bernice, you stand the risk of losing me.
Daddy, please stop. Stop, enough. What is this? Why are you forcing me to marry your friend's daughter? I am telling you about her ill character and you do not want to listen to me. She left my house for good, on her own accord, period.
Can you just listen to yourself? Is that the reason why you always have issues with all the women that you date with one single and only problem, that they all have ill character? No, don't talk to me. You must marry Bernice. Bernice is your wife.
You need to think about this, Dad. You need to, because that girl is sick. There is something wrong with her. I've been trying my best, but my best is not enough for her.
Oh, because she smokes? What is wrong about that? That's what she likes.
You see, I am beginning to doubt if you are truly my father. Because, what are you saying? Are you not concerned about my health? I'm your son. You should be concerned about my well-being.
That's because you keep bringing complaints about every woman that you date. The sooner you grow up and know that you are a man and face up with a woman of your dream, which is Bernice, better for you.
Honestly, Dad, this will not work. It will not sit well for me. Honestly, I am not going to marry that girl. There's no way I will marry Bernice. It will not work. She will just kill me. I mean, why? Why would I even marry her? Why would you even decide for me in a matter like this? You won't be there when the trouble will start. I will not marry Bernice. I will not marry her. Your friend's daughter, I will not try it.
I will not marry her.
Come on, you move! This is a bit wrong, Abi.
I catch you, Oginekwa. Oginekwa.
And they talk, they're mad. They're mad. They're mad. Eh?
I got you, leave me, oh! Leave me, oh! Hey!
You see the
Hey!
Hey! Eh? You the Male! Shut up! Marry, you not be married. You just spoil small girls for this village. You no fear, you come my forest. You want knack babe. You want muke babe for fear. Hey! You the man.
How dare you? Are you stupid? Answer me.
I'm not, Dad.
No man, I repeat, will tolerate this your nonsense attitude. Your mother just destroyed you for me. Take a look at yourself. You're not even mentally stable. You drink, you smoke, do all manner of things. Bernice, I am going to push you out of my life.
Dad!
Don't doubt me. Yes, I will push you out to my friend's son to marry you, so that at least you can give birth and have your senses back. At least your mental condition can be restored. How can you demand for a GLE Benz car from the young man when his father is owing me 50-something million naira? Are you out of your mind? Eh? We have an agreement.
But Dad, why will you use me as an agreement plan? For Christ's sake, Dad, I'm not mad. I'm mentally stable, Dad.
You are going to marry that young man. And the wedding is not going to exceed next month. Do you hear me? Have I made myself clear?
A man that can't even afford to buy me the latest GLE? Dad, no way.
Then you're going to return to your mother. You that cannot even wash your ass. I know how many men that have come here to ask your hand in marriage. You don't have to do anything. They all returned you because of your bitter character. You must marry him.
Dad, you should know that I have my life to live. For Christ's sake, I'm an adult. I have my life to live.
Then you are going to return to your mother. You return to her and perish there for my care. If I made myself clear.
I got you, Mama. I got you, Mama. I never. Mama. Mama. I got you. Excuse me. I got you this one.
Chibo, I can't see this on you. What happened? What did you do to her? Tell me.
Oh, my, nothing. Nothing. I was just going on my own and she just carried me on the floor. Hey, I can't see with this eye anymore.
Hey! This girl has beaten more than she can chew. Enough in this family. Hey! Enough is enough in this family.
Kill her.
Hey!
Kill her. Kill her, Papa. Kill her. I can't just kill me. Papa, kill her.
Appetizer. Let us warm the mouth.
Mommy, him ga waga.
This one is appetizer.
Elena, and careful.
Hey! Nonsense. Very irresponsible human being.
Ogini, who are you fighting with?
Mama, na ejike o. I catch her from my bush. He won't bench one babe. He won't knock the girl.
Eh? What's the knack? Knack? Is Ejike now a carpenter?
Mama, no, I don't want to talk. That boy vex me. But no wahala. No one.
You don't jam in Papa for hotel or bush before. Ejike they learn work.
Eh?
In Papa na A1.
Akachi,
shut up.
Akachi, or whatever they call you. Akachi, so you have the guts. You have the effrontery to come to my house and beat up my son. Eh? They call you Abu Ineko. Eh? You're not even afraid.
Hey,
eh? You need to come around and see what you did to his eyes.
Because, sorry. Oh, I am sorry. Anyway.
Oh, no. That sorry is not welcome at all.
Oga! See that one where you come in, no try him again. No try him and not run enter you. You know what you're picking to?
What did he do? Tell me, what did he do?
If I open my mouth, talk with you, do Oga, they go lock you for prison. Now abomination, now you do. He committed an abomination.
What did he do? Tell me, what did he do?
Ma talk. Make a yanam. I catch your pikin, EGK, for my bush, for my cabin. My bush while they pray, say, may God bring me better meat. Your pikin spoil am for me. I catch her in one bench, one girl.
What's bench? Bench what?
He won't knock the girl, he won't forcefully, it's called rape, he won't forcefully knock the girl. What? I see how they turn the girl, they turn am. I see what they stop for here. Nothing I make it go down. Come they insult me. Now I follow am up, oh.
Chelo, did you say forceful as in rape?
They Colobi, they do everything. You won't knock the girl.
Hey! Rape! Chimo! Nanyibe! Rape! Okwa 14 years. Hey!
They turn the girl, they won't force the girl. The girl they say stop it. He won't use by force.
Hey!
Catch them.
Beat am.
Nanyibe! Okwa rape.
This girl will be the end of you. I'm telling you this for real. I mean, we both know that she doesn't love you. She doesn't have any atom of love for you. You should let her go. Let her go and you find yourself a decent girl and marry. Huh?
Bro, I am fed up. I swear, I am tired of that girl.
Why do you keep saying that you are fed up? Why not stand up to your father? Tell him that you do not want this girl. You move on, find yourself someone. I mean, why would you allow your father in this age to choose a woman for you?
My guy, my father will not listen to me. He will not buy that idea. Because my father told me that he and her father are friends. They are business partners, so...
So freaking what? What are you talking about? These people are going to die soon. With all due respect. Your father is an old man. The so-called chief is an old man. You know that they will die soon and leave you with the repercussions, the decisions, the reality of the wrong decisions that you made. Having this lady as your wife will mean early grave for you. I'm telling you, as your friend, I'm not trying to insult you or anything, but that's the truth.
You are not going anywhere. It is not before.
I will slap you.
Oh God! Hey! I respect you.
You don't want to see the other side of me, right?
You don't get to the other side. Come, sit.
Benny's my kids, man.
That's exactly what I was talking about. Exactly what I'm just talking about.
I said make you don't go.
Stop it!
Okay!
I said leave my way.
Stop it! I said stop it!
I want this guy out of here right now. I said fire this guy.
Fire, get him! Fire! Nothing that you employ me. Hey! Okay!
I said fire. Do that right now. Do that right now.
It's okay.
David, do that right now.
David, I'll take my leave now. I can't watch this nonsense.
Alright, bro.
David,
I'll see you.
David,
okay.
you are wasting
Oh,
my
yeah, can you
time. I said fire this idiot. Fire this idiot.
I've heard what you say.
I said do that right now.
Keep quiet.
David, fire this guy.
Babe, I said I've heard you.
Then do that right now. You've heard me. Do it.
I'm going to do that.
Do it.
Fire, you are fired.
David, what is this?
Babe.
David, answer me, what is this?
Babe, this is yours.
Jesus Christ. So David, I'm drunk. I don't know my undies anymore, right? Answer me now. What is this?
Come on, babe, will you stop? This is your undies.
You think I'm joking with you?
David, babe, stop! Stop! Babe, this is your undies, I swear!
David, I swear to God, I'm going to break your head with this bottle. Start talking right now. Who owns this?
Babe, come on, but this is yours. You know I cannot cheat on you.
David, stand right there. I said, who owns this?
I'm standing.
I will eat this bottle. Who owns this?
Babe, this is your undies.
David, I'm going to kill you right now. Start talking, David. Who owns this pants?
Babe, this is your undies. Babe! Babe, come on! Ow! Oh! Ah! My leg! Ah! Damn!
Serves you right. David, I said, serves you right, idiot. You are joking with me, right? You are joking with me.
My leg!
This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning.
Ow! Fuck! Ow! Damn! My penis! Penis! Oh! Damn! My leg! Penis!
Useless man! Look at him! I told you, you can't play with me and go scot-free. Useless man. Okoye! 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 Come here, come here. I said come here! Run! Be fast!
Sir? Sorry, ma?
I want to ask you a simple question. Are you aware of a lady David brought to this house?
Are you serious?
Come back here! I'm not done talking to you. I asked you again. Okoye, are you aware of a lady David brought to this house to the extent of her forgetting her pants here?
Forget? Let me go. Let me do the girl. She inside. Let me.
Why am I even here talking to you? A lunatic like you.
Let me.
I don't have all of you are the same.
Chineke. So, you know, so Messi forget her pant. Nah, this game incredible. How can person come to person house? Nah, God. What is this? How person go come person house? Not finish. Person where we are part to come. Not finish. You know where part to go. You don't know. Your body don't do nyawo. You just. Sir? What is this? What is this? Why you open am like this? Why I no go open am? Why you go open am? You see this nonsense where you live here, Nana? You dey cause war for this house. Yeah? I carry you come my house. You enter this house, they tell me say, if you want to, now AC room, big bed. Fine. I say because they only be the house. If you do anything, I sneak you enter a guy house. When not finish, you forget your pants. You know, man.
Hey! Hold it there. Hold it. Waiting. But you know if you forget something again.
What the fire you there for that nonsense when you talk? Idiot. Kill you there. How you go forget your pants? You wear pants to come. You do finish it. You go. You know wear pants. You don't do anyhow. You don't do anyhow. So you don't wear anything. You don't talk rubbish here. You know, man. I don't even talk. You know the shape. You know the shape. So you carry part to go where they cause war. Mugu. Idiot. You know, man. Now so you go just walk up. One day you will go do finish for bush. Forget your bra. Go forget your bra for inside bush.
And you and who they do that bush thing? You and who they do bush something for this town? You dey craze. You well.
Okay, what are the craze? What I well? Say you come do finish, forget your part. You shape no gree you. You don't even. You see this nonsense where you forget now. Now so Oga babe enter bedroom, see the pant. Come the holla Oga say Oga dey cheat. come carry something, break Oga leg. With the talk of leg with the break, he break head. And they talk here that they do the tell me say whether they want. If they want, idiot.
This one where you talk now. It be like say you no wan pay me my remaining balance. My 2K balance.
If I give you that money, if I give you that 2K, but I make my hand like this. I swear. You forget pant. That place where you forget pant. Now your room. Now your room idiot. Oh, okay. Ide ayo gabi. Make Oga knock you.
Go. You dey grace.
You dey hold me.
Ogo an kill pa. You give my money today. Give my money.
I go kill you.
That's why I give you.
Leave you. I know well, oh. I know. I see everybody. I know well, oh. As I dey here, I know well, oh.
Give my money.
I go scatter your face with slap now.
Me.
I dey tell you, my hand dey shake, oh.
You go slap me.
If you don't come out your hand, I go. If I don't do it, I die.
Never born you where?
If you hold me now.
Never born your mama where? I can't do short time for your place. You carry me go your Oga master bedroom. How you take consign me?
What did make you forget party? That party. Nah, party with the problem. Nah, party. What did make you forget your party here? Now your room. That room where you forget the party. Now your room. So all this is what they talk about. Say the pant they cause war. You know they feel up.
You don't carry the pant to come now. You still carry wahala come meet me. You don't pay my money, oh.
If I give you that money,
give my money.
Give my money. I go kill you.
Give my money. Give my money.
Mercy.
Give my money.
Mercy.
Give my money.
I go kill you. This your past like okay. You forget this one we again now. I go kill you.
Papa, don't bite me, oh. My man. If I stand my man. You have no fear. No fear. Me, oh. Papa has beaten me, oh. See, if I stand up down, what is going on now? You both are friends. Why are you fighting? What friends? She slept with my own friend. She's not a good friend. Because of man, both of you want to kill yourself. You want to kill yourself in this village. I will kill her. Stand up. She's not ashamed now. She's fighting her friend because of man. Papa, let me beat her. You. No, but you have the mind to tell my man. See, thank your God that she came. I would have dealt with you. No! She said with my man. My boy in this village. Who doesn't know me as that boy?
My leg. This is pure wickedness. What kind of a girl are you? Huh? You are so evil. How can you inflict so much pain on him after ruining his ankles? Huh? This is pure wickedness.
Charles, this is relationship we are talking about. My relationship. So mind the business that pays you. Mind your business.
This girl, Bernice, wickedness. She's very wicked and heartless. I can never settle with someone like this. Never. I thought you were gone. I thought you said it's over between us because I cannot buy you GLE Mercedes Benz. Why did you come back to break my leg? You. It's alright.
So David, you wanted to break up with me, right? I see. I'm going to call my father and tell him everything.
Where is your conscience? Huh? We are trying our best to make sure that he stands again. And you're still doing all this nonsense you are doing. What is wrong with you?
Please hold it right there. Hold it right there. David deserves whatever that's happening to him right now. He deserves more than that.
Where is your conscience, Bernice? Everyone in this estate knows that David loves you so much and will never cheat on you. What are you talking about?
And you, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? I have my evidence. I saw a woman's pants in my man's bedroom. So don't tell me that. Am I lying? Don't tell me, am I lying? Answer me! Oh, you can't talk. No, you can't talk right now. Nobody should dare me in this house.
Please, just leave her. Leave her, please. Let her stay with her wickedness. Just leave her alone with her wickedness.
You're so evil. I'm telling you that. You are so evil and you have to change.
Don't let me start with you right now. Because if I start with you, Charles,
Bernice, don't dare me.
you will regret stepping your foot here.
Do not dare me, Bernice.
And what are you going to
Charles.
do? What are you going to do?
Charles, please.
What are you going to do?
Charles, please.
Do your worst.
Leave her, please.
This is what you go
It's
to.
okay, please. Please.
Nonsense.
For God's sake, just let her be. Please.
This is not acceptable. You have to do something about this.
This is your love. Baby,
Which can problem this one now? Which can problem why you don't cause for this house now? Cause for the house, cause for myself. Which can wahala be this one now? Eh? I carry problem put for person who don't know anything body. Hey! Go. How person go just come and not finish, carry panty, throw away. Go with that pant, person wear panty come. They go, you know wear panty. You don't know say you know wear panty. You don't know say you don't wear panty. You don't know say you don't wear panty. I thought I go fire you. Idiot. God. They no bomb me well. They no bomb me well. Say I open this mouth. What they chop food. They do confess them. Tell them say na mess a pant with that. Kai. I want to beat you, put you for sale. You know if you try them. Nah. What I go do? How I go take savage this thing? What I go do now? What is with this thing?
They tell me say I dey possessed, so no they try that nonsense. So you come here, I come tell your babe say I dey possessed because I beat Ejike.
But I tell you, say may you no fight for this village again. So why they fight?
Why you no ask wetin sup? Why you no ask why I break my promise? Eh? See, body they pepper me. I dey on my period, no add to my anger, I dey vex.
You see this thing? I no do again.
You say wetin?
Yes, I no do again. Before you go buy person down. It shall not be person you go buy me now. And like that, I go just they go bury me like that. I beg no they talk about this.
So because I no gree me we knack. Because I no gree open leg for you. You want you start end the relationship.
You're not supposed to open leg for me. Am I not your boyfriend? You're not supposed to do one. Why they do that? I no be man. Every day go rise, go fall. I go rise, go fall. Not about the day. You not go to me.
So my 2 years of relationship, come here, where you they go? So my 2 years of relationship waste just like that. You know who I be? Eh? You say about these girls frustrated, you go to tell say I want to end relationship just like that. I no blame you. Wait, this I go beg you. Say I'll call you cry. I not get your time. I get hunting what I won't go do. I get meat what I set trap for. Nothing concern you. But you say you won't end the relationship. No one.
You know, Sam, I break up with you. You know if you cry. You know if you say, hey, well, I'm sorry. But you're busy talking about your trap. Look at you now. One day, you go wet it. The other day now, you go wet antelope. They go say, Akati, wet antelope. Look at you.
You're mad.
Akati, sorry.
Akati go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I Akati go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I Akati ambushy, na 5 and 6 years. Akati and hunting, na 5 and 6. For a change, I will smile on you. Just one day, just one day, one day. I wanna get your body. One day you will see. I wanna see your miracle. I wanna get your body. I wanna get your body. I wanna see your miracle. I wanna get your body. I wanna get your body. I wanna see.
Chineke, what the name of God? How can person be this beautiful finish, then constantly be demon inside? What kind of human being is this? Yeah? Hi! You see that way they talk say, not be everything with the glitter might be good. See, I'm here. Person go fine, but demon. Just in a small cigar like man. drink ogogoro. We are not safe today. Anyone kale. Fiapa. Anyone kale. Oh. Anyone kale. Unless they leave my baby, give me the video. Anyone kale. Fiapa. Anyone kale. Fiapa. Hey. Anyone kale. Oh. Unless they leave my baby, give me the video. Oh. Anyone kale. Hey, hey. What the name of Hey! How? Anyone talking? How? I'm not going to say it. Anyone he says, what? I want to sing. I want to sing. Did you just get to my friend? Sorry. Yes.
I will show all of you in this house my madness. This is just the beginning. David, you cheat on me, you die. I cheat on you, you die.
Yes, David,
I run this street. I run this street, nigga.
Yes.
If you just sing for me again, I will break your head.
Now, David.
Stand up.
Oh, David. Big.
Stand up. I said stand up.
Okay.
Get out. I will show all of you this as my madness. This is just the beginning. I run the street. Mad people everywhere.
Just one day.
The man not see that man in my papa house again. No. I see that educate. I go remove the eye. Why you go touch my mama? Oh, wait.
It's okay now. It's okay. Akachi, I am tired of all this. You're fighting and fighting in this village. Every day, fight. What is it?
Mama, person say thunder go fire me. Make I leave am. That's what you dey do.
Did that thunder fire you? Are you not the one standing here? Did thunder fire you? Your brother that is sick and you know he's sick. You went ahead to beat him. Do you want to kill him?
So now the thunder fire me, come buy me before you go believe. Ejike and the papa fight you. You won't make a leave am. You won't make them buy you, man come become orphan, Abi? I'm not gonna agree, oh.
You have to leave this village for me. Yes, you have to leave this village for me because I am tired. Your brother told you to come abroad. You don't want to go. So you want to stay in the village, okay? You have to leave this village for me.
I'm not going to go anywhere. Make I leave my papa inheritance. I'm not going to try him. See this hunting business. When my papa blessed me before he died, you want make I leave him, Mama? Who will come there do him if I leave him?
So you want to tell me that it is this hunting that you will do for the rest of your life?
Now I go do, oh. I'm not going to leave him for anybody, oh. We pay, no leave, no transfer. Mama, see, no dey stress yourself. Since I dey like this, I don't set better trap where go catch better meat. And I know say it go catch more better 5K. You go use that meat, cook for this house this evening. You go know say God has blessed me with his grace. I am blessed with a good hunting spirit.
I am finished. I was begging my husband. I begged him, stop taking this girl to the bush. Stop teaching this girl how to hunt animals. Stop this thing. Stop. Look at it. Look at what my daughter has turned into. Hi! God, who did I offend?
What they call God? God not do you anything. Not dey stress yourself, they bother to cry because this hunting business, that the death do us part too. I no go leave her for anything.
Hi!
I go do am till they close my casket. Now me and the hunting business, you don't whine.
Who did this? It's okay.
So you mean Otonwa did this to you? Eh? Akachi did this to you. What did you do to Akachi?
Yeah, Ebuka. All these questions you are asking me now, you are just stressing me. You are just stressing me because I have told you who scattered my face. I have told you how Akachi scattered my face and you are still asking me, yeah? If you know you want to stress me, just leave this place. I don't have this time.
What are you saying? Yes, I get. What did you do to Akachi that Akachi did this to you? Eh? Akachi that I know will not just come and start beating you. What did you do?
Nah, Ebuka, I don't even understand you. I don't understand. What are you doing here? Did you come here to stress me? I have told you that I did not do anything to her. I did not do anything to her. Akachuku just carried me like this, go away on the floor and started blowing me. For no reason.
See.
Yeah, Ebuka, respect yourself.
Hey, this girl promised me that she will not fight again. See your face.
Akachuku, that is a wizard, promise you that she will not fight again. Yes, she's a wizard because she's a man. There is a man inside that girl.
Look at what you're saying. She's a man. Can she be a man? Akachi's a man. Akachi's a man. Smarty, don't they live with Smarty?
Ebuka. Yeah, Ebuka, you will leave this place. So what's your problem now?
Ebuka.
Nai, welcome.
You are here.
Papa, welcome.
Ebuka, just imagine what Akachi did to my son.
She actually wants to blind my son's eyes. Just imagine. In as much as I know you brought this upon yourself, but I'm not happy with that girl. I must deal with her in this village. Opakachi, I will teach her a lesson she will never forget in her entire life.
Nai, why?
Papa, handle her. Deal with her, deal with her.
I should handle her. Come on, girl, beat you. You should feel ashamed of yourself.
You are not ashamed. Come on, girl, did this to you. You are telling me, Papa, deal with her.
Papa Akachi is not a common girl. That girl that can...
Shut up.
Papa Akachuku is not just a girl. She's not an ordinary girl. That girl is a man. Somebody that used to go into the bush by herself to hunt. That girl that can carry gun. Papa, deal with her. Deal with her.
Look at what you're saying. Papa, deal with her. Papa, a woman. Smarty, you cannot even stand. Look at.
Yeah, come. Ebuka, who even invited you here? Akachuku has sent you. She has sent you to come and finish from where she started.
Nobody sent me. I'm here to see what they did to you. Sorry. Go see that here.
Ebuka, come and be going now. What's your problem?
Go. Did they pursue me from your house? I should go now. All because I won't touch your heart.
I will kill you.
Papa, handle her. See her.
Oh.
So Ebuka broke up with you. As what, Kwan?
I seem like Isabella will get time for man. I think concern man, no get time for her to break. For a man, I think say they cry, no side the flesh. And bushmeat.
Hey, my
boy.
sister.
No got time for man, no. No one top me.
Yeah, sure. May I take this one?
Chop plenty there inside though.
I go take away now. You don't trust me.
I got you go get plenty more.
What time to check time?
I got you go get plenty.
See, I want you people to beat her to death. Make sure she dies. In fact, take her to the forest, a very thick bush where if she dies, people will think that it is the wild animals there that killed her. Please.
But see, that one was more sin, I understand. Call Belenji, what I go?
Yes.
Your money.
Yes, I know. Please, I need a clean job.
Where's the money?
I have 100,000 naira here.
Confirm it.
I know what you
Sure, say
boys
they complete.
I know what you boys can do. Please.
How many people do you imagine?
Where Ebuka number no dey go? Hey, Abi, you don't block me. Hey, I won't take cope. I just dey form hard girl. I'm not strong at all. Hey, na so they end relationship. Na so they break up with person.
Akachi, you didn't eat the food I kept for you in your room. Yes, man.
Mama, I'm not hungry.
You You that begged me to prepare your favorite abacha, that when you wake up you will eat it. Abacha with anunchi. Akachukwu, are you okay? What is wrong?
See, you will not do anything. I will not allow you to do anything.
Which one be say I no go do anything now? What did I do now?
You cannot be doing it with me and be doing it with Akachi now.
Is that the problem?
Yes.
I've stopped seeing Akachi since now. I've stopped seeing her since now.
You have stopped?
Yes, now. You know they do anything again.
Are you sure?
Yes.
See, let me tell you. I want you to stop seeing her completely. Don't even stand anywhere and have any conversation with her again. See, that girl is too violent for my liking. How would she go and fight Ejike up to the point of fighting him in his house? That's not fair now.
But that one, she says she catch Ejike in the bush with somebody doing it.
Hey. Did she mention the name of the person?
No. They didn't. She did not say anything.
Please stay away from her. Please.
I will now.
The girl is too troublesome.
Oh yeah, now. Ooh, don't worry.
Oh, yeah, wait now. Wait, don't rush me like that though. Wait, people might be looking at us now. We'll just shift some more and collect some more from the back.
Just one day, just one day, for a change, I will smile on you. Just one day, just one day.
Oh, easy. Please help me.
Sorry. Dad, please leave me alone.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Sorry.
Look at it. No, Dad, you've seen it. She almost broke my head too. You set a girl up to come and kill me.
Dave, don't talk to your father in that manner. Huh? This is just an injury. You will get well. Everything will be fine.
Nothing is fine, Charles. I am in pains. The medicine is not working. My ankle shifted. Just look at it. Look at my leg.
Son, I'm sorry about this. You will be fine. Charles.
Yes, sir.
You said you know a place you can take my son.
Yes, I do.
Do you know the place?
Yes, and I do remember the village. Somewhere here in Delta State. Can take him there.
Son, get ready to travel. I'll go have a meeting with.
So I'm going to go through all these pains. I'm going to go through.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You'll be fine.
Pennies. Okay. It's okay. I'm happy that you are seeing everything. I'm happy that you are seeing it yourself.
You're a big fool. Ibu dog. Hey! My God will judge you. My God will judge you. Ejike, you don't see any other person in this village. He's my own friend to sleep with. God. Ejike, I gave you 3 years. 3 years of my life. And what did you do? What did you do in Sinkita? What did you do? You had to sleep with my friend. My God will punish you. Okay, Fogi. Let me see you anywhere near my life again. See your head.
Yeah, NK, take it easy now. NK. Baby.
God will punish you.
World Best Champions League in Madrid. You chop babe, you chop with friend join JKG Limited Company. Etanwa. Mugu.
Bia, Izunna, if you don't respect yourself now, Makachuku, Thunder will fire you here now.
You don't see Thunder here. You see, Thunder ain't be this. They write a full mark. You Mugu. They misbehave. They send you go Cameroon. You go there, they say pepper. Come on Europe where you cross go. You go there, go the people, you go with the bath. Now why they deport you? What make you no make them? Nothing again. You no get. Now to sell a bakara for this village, I go tell your papa. Now if now truck we go find for you.
See, Izunna, just thank your God. In fact, just go and thank Akachi. Pack something, my goat, my chicken, and go and thank her. Because you are lucky that Akachuku was the one that deaf this ear and blinded this eye. You are lucky that this ear is deaf now and I cannot hear this rubbish that you just spilled now. Because if I have heard this rubbish, Izunna, if I had this rubbish.
You this one, hear me well. I see your life don't scatter. Woman don't kill you.
Food. You for come back now. No, come back, come to NK.
Ebuka, stop now. You scare me now.
Sorry. I dey miss you now.
You dey miss me? Yes. I lost why you dey miss me. Not be me there with you.
Otonwa, let's go and do this. Yeah? Let's go and do now.
Do waiting. I don't tell you to make you calm down. Be patient. When we marry, we go wound ourselves. Not be wounding you what? We go wound each other. When we marry as husband and wife, we go knock where. Yeah? Calm down.
Now where I go, they calm down now. Prostrate go come. Eh? Who could do this thing now? This thing don't fool.
You see the worry this, so we shouldn't be prostrate. I beg I don't get time for all these things, so. My team members, they wait for me. Will they enter bush this night? I won't go arrange myself. Set my trap where so I will catch better meat. And that one day my head now, not be this thing where you they talk. Okay, yeah? Oh, you're sorry now. Yeah, I know say you don't try. Just wait small. A patient dog eats the fattest bone. Just wait small jingling time like this. Me and you go marry, we go knock. If I will go be knockist. Yeah? Okay. Make her they wait for me and they come. Oh, no I go see you later. Oh?
No problem. Oh, you know they two get my time.
No worry, when I marry, I go get your time.
You sure?
Yes, Hey! Sleep no gree come. I just the form hard girl, the form mad girl. But I dey miss Ebuka. So now Ebuka take serve me breakfast. Hey! It don't be for me. Oh. How I go take cope now? How I want to sleep this night?
Akachi! Okay, you're not sleeping.
Mama, nothing. I just dey relax.
Relax? You cannot relax in your room. Akachi, what is it? You know you can always tell me. I'm your mother. You can always share with me what is bothering you. Ogene.
Mama, na Ebuka. Ebuka break up with me because I beat Ejike. You say I don't want the relationship again.
I know you will always share with me.
If I don't share with you, who else I go share with?
So Ebuka said he's no longer interested in you. Hey! And you're here having a restless night. Because of Ebuka. Ebuka broke up with you because you beat up Ejike. So he's not supporting Ejike now. Eh? I told you that boy was using you. He was using you all this while, but you didn't want to listen to me or hear me out. Oh yeah, look at it. You're having a restless night because of him. Listen, let me tell you. Move on. Do you hear me? Move on with your life. Ebuka Wakoro. A good man will come for you in due time. Are you hearing me? Move on. In fact, get up. Go and sleep. Sleep very well. You need it. Sleep very well and forget that rubbish. Useless boy.
I got you, go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I get.
My daughter has apologized to your son about what happened, but that doesn't end things. She saw a female on this right inside the bedroom, and you expect her not to react?
So was that why she caused my son to have a dislocation in his ankle?
I mean, why is everyone blaming me of what happened to David?
My daughter, apart from the gate man, my daughter, apart from the security man that witnessed the event, do you realize that there's so many CCTV cameras installed in that house? You know, what I am sure of is that camera don't lie.
Chief, like I said, my daughter has apologized to your son. And your son must, in return, apologize to her and vow that he will never have anything whatsoever to do with any other woman again.
My son never cheated on your daughter. I wonder why you keep repeating that. He never did. And I believe my son just the way you believe your daughter. Anyway, when I am done with the investigation, we'll know where to face.
Venice.
Dad.
Are you sure that undies does not belong to you? Are you really sure about that?
Dad, I know my favorite colors. That is not my undies. I know what I'm saying.
Well, not to worry. When, we peruse the footage from the CCTV, we'll be able to know who owns that panty.
Just one day, just one day, for a change, I will smile on you. Just one day, just one day, one day. I wanna get your body. One day you will see. I wanna see.
I know they do again. Now. Leave me, I'm tired.
You say you know they do again.
Yes,
you Chris.
now.
You dey come here, Ebuka. Now my heart won't break. What do you mean say you know they do again? You won't take my heart to play? Because of you, I not feel sleep, I not feel eat, I not feel do anything. I not feel sleep for night, but you dey sleep peacefully for your house. You dey mad bomb dey your head.
But I not force you now. I say I'm tired. I'm not doing again.
You know what do again? You know what's in there? All the bush meat what I don't they give you since me and you start to the date. Begin vomit them out. Now, your mama, they chop my bush meat. Your brother, they chop my bush meat. You, my bush meat full your belly. Vomit them now and you go vomit them as live animal. Carry the animal, go sell them.
It's not possible now. I wanted for me bushmeat here now. And this one not dey possible, I beg. After I not force you give me. I force you. Not be you there busy, the hustle man when not they hustle you.
I the hustle man. I the hustle man. Me, queen of the jungle, they also you dey mad. 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 I the hustle man. I what punish you? See, anywhere I catch you, just anywhere I catch you, go be for you. I go they beat you, they go continuously. You go see them. You dey take my heart, they play. You not fear. My fragile heart, now they joke with. It don't be for you. You will hear discuss.
I got you, go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I live. Mama, I got you, go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I live. Mama, I got you ambushing, na 5 and 6 years. I got you hunting, na 5 and 6. Any bush meeting, she go kill her, hold up for handy. I forgot him, but she go kill her, hold up for handy. I go smack you.
You see my AC over here? Okay. Big bed. He's getting more.
The gate man in that house brought in a woman to my son's bedroom. And as we speak, he's on the run.
I see.
I want you to see the CCTV footage of what actually happened. Yes.
No doubt.
As you could have seen, the gate man of all places decided to bring a woman into his master's own bedroom to lay with the woman. And the idiot of a woman forgot her panty that she wore from home to that bedroom. That's where the problem stemmed from. And it's obvious that my son is innocent.
Well, no doubt about that.
So in that case, that union is hereby dissolved. Yes, Because I do not want your lunatic daughter to kill my son for me.
Don't you dare call my daughter a lunatic. Watch it, Chipuduka.
You know that your daughter is a lunatic. She injured my son.
Our agreement stands. We have apologized. That is fine.
That agreement can no longer hold. I suggest first go teach your daughter manners before you give her a hand for marriage. Leave my house.
Chipudoka, come back here. Come. Oh my gosh. We shall see, Chipudoka. We shall see.
Just one day, just one day.
Today, tomorrow no more. If I die today, I will die no more. Today, tomorrow no more. If I die today, I will buy no more. Akachi Jareto, Akpatweke, Jareto. Hey!
Larissa,
What did they say? What did they happen for you?
Now, so you go enjoy enter grave like this tonight.
What did happen? What did I do? Who na be?
Your fuck up done too much for this village. And I go run into you like this with the police.
Wait, you won't run me for my cabin? You dey mad? You won't run me for my cabin? You dey mad? Eh? You won't run me for my cabin? You not fear? You not fear? You not fear?
Sorry.
Eh?
Hey, sorry.
Walk from here. Come on. If this trap, come on for this place. Your father. I know well, oh. Go ask question. I know well. You don't whine. I for bust your brain with this thing. Down.
Hey,
if you move,
eh?
Down.
Akashi, what is it? Akashi, because
okay, go down.
Hey, I'm down already. Wait.
Akashi, you send boys, come meet me, come attack me. What did I do you? Don't try this nonsense again. I'm not well, yo. Go ask question. You dey mad?
I'm sorry.
Eh? You see this gun?
I'm sorry.
It's a licensed gun from government. Bullet full arm. I go kill you. Nothing go sup.
Please.
I go murder you for here. Bury your body. Nobody go see your dead body. You dey mad?
Apache, please. I'm sorry. Hey.
Don't try this thing again.
I will never.
If I pass left or pass right.
Yes, ma. Hey. Okay, CJ.
No waiting, lie down.
Hey, Akashi.
I'll finish you.
Akashi, please.
Come on, lie down.
Oh, please, lie down. Akashi, please. Akashi, please, don't shoot. Hey, Akashi, please. See, I'm your brother's brother. I'm your brother's brother. Please, don't shoot me. Please, Akashi, please, don't. Hey, because hey. Akashi, please, don't shoot again. Akashi. Akashi,
go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I get. Mama. Akachi go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I get.
Oh, there she can go.
Akachi ambush. Five and six.
Hey!
Hunting. Five and six. Any bush meeting. She go kill him. Hold on for handy. I forgot him, brother. She go kill him. Hold on for handy. I will go there. She go kill him. Hold on for handy. I will go down. She go kill him. Hold on. Akachi. She go kill him. Hold on for handy. Anything about hunting. Now you sabi. But if you carry trouble, come on. Okay, nyeki sabu. Okay, nyeki that's trouble. Woto. If onanya. She not the shake. Not at all. She dege. She not the shake. Not at all. She dege. She not the fear. Not at all. She dege. I catch you go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I get. Mama. I got you go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I get. Mama. I got Akachi and bushy, na 5 and 6 yo. Akachi and hunting, na 5 and 6. Then they push me to she go kill him, oh, hold him for handy. I forgot him, but she go kill him, oh, hold him for handy. I forgot that she go kill him.
Hello, Dad.
Yes. Stay there. He's not picking his calls? Okay, don't worry. I am sure his father does not have the money to clear his debt. Yes. But you told me you love him so much. So why all the drama? Why? Tell me, I want to know.
Dad, please. Please don't tell me that. Dad, I'm being serious right now.
You can't love someone and then you go ahead to inflict pain on the same person you claim you love. Bernice, when will you stop smoking and drinking? This thing is affecting your life.
Dad, this got nothing to do with my shit. Absolutely nothing.
Oh.
Dad, all I want right now is my man. Yes, I want him back to me. Please, I'll talk to you later.
Just one day, just one day, for a change, I waste my...
I'm going to be here since he's not picking my calls. David thinks he can play with me. He can never play with me. Never. I'm going to be here and wait for him till he returns. Nonsense. With me.
Where is the money I asked you?
But I told you tomorrow I'll give you the money.
You told me tomorrow. We'll wait till tomorrow now. See, I bet sheep. So I didn't even wear pants because
Okay, what's he want, Picharu? Wait, I'll be this girl. Are they checking Perkins now? Now you where you get one bench from my bush the other day. So if you are shower, you know they say one place. You then muke up and down. Make them shift your pants. Oh yeah, one more come on here. Come on for your shower. Come on for this place. Now, I'll shoot you. Come on for here, go match you them mad. Come on for this place. I'm gonna fire you. I shower. You Ebuka, you know what they useful to yourself.
I don't like this way they do. You stop Amo. Because every time you go just the ask person, you don't know what you say. I say you don't want again. Leave me alone, make a day my lane.
And I don't want again true, but you go there useful to yourself. I don't make you do careless benching. Be useful to yourself, be responsible.
I beg, I don't like all this.
Oh yeah, come on for this place. They go.
Come on for here. Why they tell me make I come on? We see the dates. What are the dates again? Now allow me to live my life.
Follow me talk.
No.
I say come on for here now. Go out. I they talk. Come on. Hey, come on for here. Come here. I they talk. You don't get respect. You don't get
Do you want to kill him? Huh? Why will you be fighting a man like this on the way? Do you want him to inflict injuries on you? Huh? What is happening?
Now my ex-boyfriend, a very useless person. If they're useless to himself, I want to make a day useful.
Hey, young man, who are you?
I am that I am. Open, let me go. You see you will hear from me.
Okay, I don't go fit where you see, anywhere I catch you, I go there beat you until you dey useful.
I'm not gonna useful for you.
You're not gonna useful.
I'm not gonna useful for you.
You're not gonna useful.
Can I
You're not gonna useful. Just they run, they go. Thunder, fire your brothers. They're mad. You get lucky they save you. Nonsense. Wine.
I think I remember you. Are you not the huntress? Yes, it's you. You were the one that served I and my in-laws bushmeat the time we visited.
I talk and say your face dey familiar. Bros, now you. So you remember me?
Yes.
Are you German and your sister?
Yes, she's fine. She's fine. She have recovered. She have traveled back.
Leg don't go, Abi.
Her leg is perfect now. She has gone back to her athletic job.
Thank God. What you gonna carry you come village now?
It's my friend. he injured his ankle.
Mm.
So I can say that Mama will look at it.
Ay! Oh! Stop! Stop! Please!
Guy, why they shout?
Stop! It's paining me! Oh! Oh! Stop! Stop! Ah!
Sorry.
Sorry, oh. Did they pay you to throw?
Yes!
Sorry.
Don't worry, my mama go run her for you, yeah? Sorry.
Sorry. Let us be sure. Are you the one to handle my leg or you are a huntress?
No, my mama go handle your leg. Me, I be professional huntress. Certified by the government of Nigeria. I kill bushmeat for a living. If they say na human being I dey kpai, therefore call me Galadima. More they go, make it. Enter Kamuk we go. My house no far.
Let's go. Get inside. Get inside. Let's go together.
No, I dey trek no man now. I get strong legs. Just dey drive follow me for back small.
Okay.
Sorry, yeah?
Sorry, madam.
Sorry, yo.
What rubbish are you people talking about? Eh? Come on, girl, you people will handle a girl that squats to urinate. You cannot beat to death. Is that what you're telling me?
But that girl no be ordinary girl. That girl na a confirmed wrestler. She took us on her way, understand? So we no even expect her and say she go wear like that.
Look at. Just imagine what you're talking. Eh? Imagine what you're talking. What did I pay you for? Eh? Come on, you're not ashamed of yourself to tell me she took you unaware. Just imagine the rubbish.
See, the reason why we dey here, they wait for you now, just to give us our balance.
What's it?
Our balance now, they tell you, okay?
What did you just say?
Sap.
What? Wait. Did I hear you say balance? Did you deliver? Come on, you're supposed to refund me my money. You're talking about balance. What rubbish are you talking about?
You why not, be like say you want enter again. What my enter?
Don't try it, oh. Don't just try it. Don't just try it.
Come on.
Hey! Sorry, I'll give you balance. I'll give you balance. Hey!
Get your fucking car.
Okay. Hey! Balance.
Go.
Come on,
move.
Come on. Hey! I can't see them. Hey, please.
Hi, please, take it easy.
I have to look at the leg.
Okay? Mama, take it easy. You don't say they pain now.
Oh, give me. What is it?
This thing is paining me.
It's okay.
Ow! Oh, God! Oh, it's paining me.
Sorry.
It's paining me. It's okay.
Sorry.
Ow! Let's say you can't take this thing personal.
I got you. You want to buy a cock? Shut up, or you leave here.
Oh!
It's okay. Be a man.
Oh,
Sorry, Dave.
Be a man.
Me. Oh, Jesus!
Sorry, Dave.
Sorry, yo.
Sorry.
Ow!
I have sent my daughter to go and get some of the things that he will need. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? By the end of this week, I'm sure you'll be fine. Okay? You'll regain your health. See, be using this now for easy walking about. You'll be fine. All right?
Thank you very much, man.
It's okay. Hey!
Hello, Dad. No. The woman said I need to stay around to monitor the healing process. Yes, I won't be coming back anytime soon. Benny's? Dad, I have blocked her off. I don't need her in my life anymore. Daddy, please. I need to concentrate on myself now. I need to get better. Her father what? Dad, please. I don't want to talk about Benny's. Charles will be returning back to the city tomorrow, but I will stay back. Yes, the woman gave me a room to stay. It's alright. Thank you.
He's in my past now, like, I swear.
Will you shut up? Close down your mouth. So this is the reason why you were telling me to stay away from her. Hey! You are evil.
See, I promise it's you I want to. Why are you doing this to me now? She did not miss me. I'm sorry now. Ebuka, why are you doing this?
Hey! Ebuka! Hey! Yeah, Ebuka. So this thing that I've been hearing in this community is true. Ebuka, so after chopping Akachi, you still want to chop my girl?
Come on. What do you mean by I want to chop my girl? Who is your girl? See, respect yourself. Oh. Ebuka,
Hey,
I'm not your girl. Now what's wrong with you? Why are you spoiling things for me?
Ambiel.
See, I'm not his girl.
My girl. You are my girl.
And you can leave me alone now. See, Ebuka, see now, Ebuka, please, you're
what
the
do you
one
mean
I
you're calling
want.
Ebuka and I'm here? What?
Ebuka, is it by force? Leave me alone.
It's by force.
Ebuka, please,
by
I'm
force.
sorry.
Ebuka, she's not sorry, oh. She's my girl.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, no, leave. Ebuka, please.
It's so sad. I'm so sorry about that.
Why they tell me sorry? Person die. Don't tell me sorry. I don't move on from that guy. Say. Who he be? I don't forget himself. I just the gist to make it no be like say we know the gist. So, this your leg. Waiting break your leg. You be footballer.
No, I'm not a footballer. It's a long story. Yes.
You not get what I do with my life today now. Knock me the story. You know say I like aproko.
What is aproko?
Amebo.
Amebo.
Gossip.
Oh, gossip.
Yes, sir.
Well, I had a girlfriend.
You don't be you. Now babe matter. Those kind of story they sweet me well. What happen? She pake person prick or she moke you. What's up?
What is pake?
You collect person if area. Oh yeah.
Okay, you mean if she cheated on me?
Yes.
Uta! Uta, hey, love of my life. Uta, they deceived me. But now I realize that you are the best. But please forgive me. I want our relationship back.
You want them back? Even Miss, I don't plan to tell you say I want you. You know it's in consider. You don't be like say I don't say they come. I can't cook special rice for you. This your flour fine. See that? Make yourself comfortable. Give yourself. Hold on. Sorry, you see I'm one breakfast.
Sorry.
They come.
Hey, my brother, how are you? What did you do for leg? Huh?
Bro, don't touch it. Yes.
Why?
I broke my ankle.
Ankle, na so you, bro.
No, don't touch it. No, I broke here, so they have been.
What? Useless thing. After you don't sleep with all the 30 girls finish, you won't come back to me. What I want use you to? I thought you said I want you again. Come on for here. Come on for this place. No problem. Carry your dirty slipper. Carry yours. Come on here.
Let me give you flower. Let me give you flower.
Come on here.
Make I take my flower and they go.
Hey, stop! No, it's okay, Kachi. Just.
What are you? Yeah, what are you? What are you going to come up and flat? You can tell my guys to deal with you.
Oh my God.
My people can deal with you.
Make noise, though. They make noise.
Make noise. Let me get you collect from me. Let me my girl collect. Let my girl collect.
I take no this kind
You
of
look if you get Maggie.
I don't know why are you doing? Huh? Listen, if you doubt me, let's go to Akachi's place. You will see my friend taking treatment there.
I'm not doubting you. I never said I was doubting you.
So what's the issue? Huh? I can't even take you to the market, wait for you there. When you're done, I will take you home.
Home?
Yes.
Well, parents, they'll be mad at me.
No worry, I'll drop you anywhere you want me to. Stop doing this, Shakara. Come, let me take you. What's this, all this Shakara for? Fine girl. Come, let's go.
Stop watching.
Who's watching? Shakara just too much.
Okay. Let's learn how to hunt. Bend a bit.
Okay.
You target the animal when you want to kill.
Okay.
You close one of your eyes.
Which of my eyes?
The left one.
Okay.
The other open eye on the nozzle of your gun. Then you aim at your target.
Okay.
On the count of 1, 2, 3, go! You don't get a move.
Of course.
You don't whine. That's so. That's so.
That's how we're going to kill all the animals.
Yes, now just one bullet you will release, that is it.
Okay, can I use one bullet and kill maybe 2 grass cutter?
It depends if the 2 grass cutter dey together.
Okay.
If they together, one bullet go knock the both of them.
Wow.
But if they separate, you no go fit kill the 2 of them. Now only one they go kill.
That's alright. That's alright.
You dey learn quick, oh.
Of course. I'm a fast learner.
Okpetueke. Don't be, oh.
Don't be.
They go want you, no panic.
Yes, nah. Don't be for
all the animals for this forest. Make we dey go.
Akachi go get plenty more.
Which kind of play with that one? What is the sup now? Which kind of play with this one now?
Always on guard.
I do on my guard all the time. No fit check me on our way now.
My baby.
How we say here now?
Let's go.
Any push me to she go kill her. I forgot the mother. She go kill her.
I don't miss this.
I forgot the attacker. She go kill her.
I don't miss this bushmeat.
What?
And I target him. Where can we go now? This one pain me. He pain me. Oh. Very big fat animal. Now I miss like this and I target him. Oh.
It's okay. We'll see another one. Come here.
Why do you look me like this?
I love you. You're more than a friend to me.
I love you too. See your mouth. Wait till they kiss. Make we dey go. Since we no see animal, if we come for night, we feel see.
Alright. You know, you've influenced me. I'm now a hunter in your village.
Abi?
What if I call you the hunter's wife?
You're not bad now. If you dey with hunter wife, and I'm beside be hunter wife. You're very sweet and funny, yo.
Anything for you. You are so full of life. And I love you for that.
Me, I love you too. Make we dey go before mama go talk say we no come back on time.
Alright, let's go. You said Okpetueke.
No be so. Okpetueke.
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 It don't be you.
It don't be you.
They whine. They go whine you, no panic. Make we dey go, my baby.
Let's go. Yeah.
She no get shame at all. Akachi.
You are not taking cola. Huh? Dog. Oh,
Ndiaga, none, Ndiaga. Hey, you're welcome.
Greetings, my in-laws.
Hey.
No, get the moon. More. No, guy, the go. Okay, get the moon. They have what the eggs in their mouth. Yes, our in-laws.
The die is cast. We are here to celebrate this beautiful marriage engagement. And our beautiful daughter is there. Akachi, step forward.
Hey.
Mommy.
Hey.
Why? Akachi.
Sir.
Show us your husband.
Yes.
I'll get it there.
Chai. Hey.
Oh, they are.
God, so strong.
Yeah. Cash. Money talks.
Hey. Hey. Ewa.
Going.
The one man. Organize.
Icheu, ataha maya. Hey! It shall be well with you.
Say.
This union shall be a fruitful union.
Say.
Chukwu ya gozunu na nwoke ọmụmụ nwoke, ọmụmụ nwanyị, ndụ ogologo.
Say.
How is the city now?
Well, so much development has visited the city. 24 hours lights. NEPA has really improved.
How about that place that I was training my goats?
You will not recognize it again.
It has been 6 years now. Even that place where I train my goats. If I reach there, story everywhere.
Yes, development has visited everywhere.
And I did this Nigeria.
Yes, 24 hours.
I can't believe myself.
What is this you're carrying? Ogini?
Now my gun now. I go leave her for village. I dey kind go my house. If I reach there, I go hunt.
Hey.
You say? Which one be you say? They need to hunt for that place.
Where you want see bush or forest where you want run your normal daily patrol?
Leave them for me. I go look for them. I go find them.
Babe, you can't take this gun to the city.
Hey.
You cannot take your late father's gun to the city. Besides, you can no longer hunt anymore.
He say, waiting. I don't hunt already. I must carry this gun go, otherwise forget about the marriage. I'm not gonna marry again if not allow me carry this gun. Yes, so.
Akachi, why are you behaving like a local girl? You have married a rich young man. Must you continue to hunt?
Mama, nothing concern gun, concern my husband's status. Before Papa died, he blessed me. He said, my daughter, you are going to be a blessed hunter. I can't say amen. You know, see how they like bushmeat. If I don't carry this gun, go, how I go take survive? How I go take hunt for bushmeat? My husband, if you know say you love me and you respect me, allow me carry this gun go city.
Hey.
I get license for gun. It's inside my bag. Nothing they shell.
Akachi, please. Take this gun inside the house.
Biko,
Umbano.
Biko.
You see here, if you not allow me carry this gun, the marriage is over. Kiss it goodbye. Yes.
Akachi.
Oh, Akachi Ogene. Do you want to disgrace me? What is this, Take this gun inside now, Biko no.
See, Dave, it's okay. Allow her to go with the gun. I'm sure when she gets to the city and there'll be no bush for her to hunt, she'll be fed up.
Bro, how can you say that? How can my newly married wife continue to be a huntress? Do you have any forest in the city? How can you tell me that? Madam, take that gun back.
Oga, no good one.
Eh? Madam, you have to choose between this gun or your husband.
I go choose, oh.
Eh?
You hear him? I go choose, oh.
No.
Make I choose, mama.
Don't choose now. I want you.
Make I choose.
Choose. Give me make sure.
I go choose, oh. Make I choose.
Choose.
You know what, your uncle? Return their bride price.
No. I can't.
I don't go mad again.
What is it?
Chief, give them this money back.
What's she doing with
Wait. Choose.
I got you go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I there. Mama, I got you go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I there. Mama, I got you ambushy. Na 5 and 6 years.
So, we are going to talk about Concord in English language today. So, we are going to be treating this today. So, I would like to know, do you...
Sorry, teacher, no verse. I know sabi good English, oh. Na pidgin English na sabi. Me and pidgin English will be best friends, just as me and my gun, they're very close. That's why they close with pidgin English. In fact, me and pidgin English will be classmates.
It's all right, no problem. That is being noted. But before then, do you by any means know the meaning of Concord?
Concord? I suppose know what Concord mean now. Not be the combination of verb, noun, and proverb. It go make one sentence, then be Concord.
That's correct.
Okay. I know buku. But you know what? This not be my problem. I get waiting they bother me. I beg teacher, you get waiting they bother me. You know where I go fit see jungle, where I go fit see big bushmeat, big animals catch.
I have no idea about that, but if you must know, that should be by Ibadan Expressway. That's where you can get thick forest, where you can go for hunting.
Hey! I beg you go show me, or you give me the address. I won't go, I beg, I won't go hunt for them. I go pay you, not be say they don't for free. You be my guy now.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't do that. I wasn't paid by your husband to teach you how to go and hunt. I was paid to teach you English language, please.
What do you talk? What do you call me? Akachi. Hey man, you don't get respect.
Hey!
I be your mate.
Hey!
Hey man.
Hey!
Why you call me Akachi?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
You don't get respect. Hey man.
Hey! I'm sorry.
Come and call me Oga wife.
I'm sorry.
Again.
Oga wife.
Carry your book, come out for this place. Fast! Let's say your eye in my body. They call me Akachi. If I catch you for this company, I go break your head. They're mad. I'm not power.
Anything about hunting.
Useless.
But if you carry trouble, come. Again, making trouble. Again, making that trouble. What? If she not the shake, not at all. She degengem. She not the shake, not at all. She degengem. She not the fear, not at all. She degengem. I got you.
Oh, babe, it's for your own good.
Baby, forget that man. Yeah, I did my body free.
You sure?
Baby, the bush will bring from village, don't they finish you? Show me road to the forest, make I go hunt another one.
Babe, let's take things a step at a time. Okay?
See, you get that somebody they do me. I won't hunt now.
But we'll have other meats for consumption.
You know, say I know the fit eat meat will not be bush meat. I won't hunt to make it not be say you they deceive me. Oh. I won't hunt. Show me road to the forest.
It's alright. Baby, it's alright. Once I'm back from work during weekend, we'll go for hunting.
That's what you talked last week. Just show me. I don't even need you to follow me. Just show me that I will enter myself.
Babe, I already told you that we'll go for hunting this weekend.
I'm telling you, I don't see any bush. I don't know any bush at all. As me you dey here now, you dey hear me? Only my village bush, I'm a sabi, and that is final. My village bush. Yes. No, there are not any forest too. Yeah. But you do, no first make I ask madam. This one where you dey ask of forest, thick bush. How far? You won't do sacrifice? I be now waiting.
I be huntress. I hunt bushmeat for a living.
I don't understand. You be waiting.
I say I be huntress. I get very big gun. I dey hunt bushmeat for living. I beg, if you see any bush when you dey sure say big meat dey, call me. I'll go hunt the meat down. Or if you know any place where they do hunters association, tell me. I go join.
Hey God. You know, this is serious. No first, madam. So as you dey now, as me and you dey now, you get gone. For this house?
No, for your papa house.
Oh God, don't hate them. Oh God, don't hate them. This one are from fry pan to inside fire. I didn't hear. That idiot, you know, people come. I didn't hear go. I didn't hear this one come. I go there.
Where's my wife? Where's my wife?
Okay. Yeah. I see her. She don't come out this morning. She carry gun. Say she won't go hunt. She make her open gate. Open the gate. I open gate. And she come.
How could you? How could you let my wife leave this house? Is something wrong with your head?
No. This is not governor. This is our plan. This is not plan, man. She come out here with the gun. Say she won't go hunting. I thought we were hunting there. I don't know what I'm going to do now. I can't put case for. I don't know say that.
You came back here begging me to forgive you for the nonsense you did in my house. I did. I forgive you. And now you're doing the worst. Tell me, Okoye, who hunts in the city?
I don't know, Oga. I don't know. Now the thing when she talk, say she won't go hunting. She be don't ask me since when I know where forest day. After that, I don't know where forest day. So only my village one don't say forest day. She come come out. She says she won't hunt. They carry gun. Say she won't. I open gate for her now.
You open the gate for her. What that for do? You open the gate for her. Now listen to me. If you do not find my wife, you will rot in jail. You know you're very stupid. You don't have sense. Don't find my wife. You will see yourself in jail.
Okay, you don't say God use me for that idiot. Use me for that idiot.
You are the real idiot. Okay, you are the real idiot. Nonsense.
Why slap? Every time slap. Can you hear every time? Then they slap me. The other idiot, then they slap me. See this one organic slap me. Nah! I get book. They could just come on this side. Jideke. Now because I don't open the gate. If you just slap me too.
If you don't find my wife, okay. If you don't find my wife, you will see what I will do to you. Animal. Go open this gate.
Nah.
Okay, open this gate now.
Yes, sir.
My friend, open the gate. Listen to me. If I do not find my wife, you see yourself.
I don't know where
I swear to God.
Let me see that.
You're very stupid.
Olha que a mora sério, pô. Me vê como mulher. É? Eu
Oh God, what is all this? And she left her phone at home. Where do I find her now? What if they arrest her with a gun? Eh? They don't hunt in this city.
Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaroyo. Love you, Jirumaroyo. Omali Chai for Nanya, Jirumaroyo. This is your love, Jirumaroyo. Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaroyo. Love you, Jirumaroyo. This is your tender love, Jirumaroyo. Beautiful love, Jirumaroyo. No more mata, obodo be a fool. Before me remove, it's no more again. No more mata. Ibwe mumbugi, if I'm the make it no more again. I am in a safe with you. This is true love.
Daddy! What did you do for this place this hot afternoon? What did they do for bush?
Well, I'm here. This is my building site. Just come here to supervise it.
Makes sense.
And you, what are you doing here?
I come hunt for bush meat too. I hear say Hunters Association dey for town. I no see them for town. Be like say they don't enter bush. Now I come here whether I go see animal or see the Hunters Association. Anyone I dey.
Is your husband aware that you are here?
Nah, that one. You know they are aware. You no fit dey aware. That one when they support my destiny. And me, I come out for house. You get the point now.
Go get into the car. Let's go.
Okay.
You are really pretty, my beautiful mother. Every time I see your face, I want you around me all the time. My gift and Anya, Jirumaroyo. Baby, love you more. Jirumaroyo.
David, in as much as I want you to get married to her, I did not bargain for a huntress. She's supposed to be doing something with her life. By the way, I thought you were supposed to get her a tutor. What's going on? My son married to a huntress? That's not good to hear. Because we are not bush people. And in our lineage, there's no hunter. So where did you get this from? So I want you to take her home, make her to understand that this rubbish must not repeat itself again.
Are you done embarrassing me? Are you done?
Make we dey go. Make we come up for here.
You will not see this gun again.
You know, try am. Wetin dey sup now? My gun? You see this my hunter gun and my life. I know they take and play. Forget what your papa talk. Oh. You give me my gun. For waiting.
Is that so?
Yes.
Then I will know if you married me or I married you.
No take my gun play. Forget this way your papa talk. And then they take my gun play. Oh. Sure? Okay, give me my gun, I bet. What did they stop now? It no go happen. It no go fit happen. Say make man no hunt for waiting now. I be huntress, so Everybody for my village knows I'm a hunter, be professional one at that. I go focus on my hunting. You be engineer. Focus on your work. You and your papa no go tell me what I go do. For waiting now.
For the love of God. This is a city, not a primitive village filled with wild animals. You must understand that you cannot continue being a huntress.
Let me say I'll come out for this marriage, go my papa house in peace. Because body don't they pepper me now. Body they pepper me, make my gate man no go talk grass cutter for my eye. And the vessel, this hunting one about don't they vex me. David, warn yourself, oh!
Why are you doing this, babe? Why are you doing this? You cannot continue carrying guns around. It doesn't make sense. This is a city. You're no longer in the village.
Oga beg now, forgive me, you don't call it darling. Leave her now, make she go hunt to Oga Bikonu. Hey! Ooh!
Leave my way.
Who be this one?
David, you have the guts to bring in a girl in this house. A local girl for that matter, not even a classy one like me.
Me, local girl? What are you? David, why can't you call local girl? You
keep quiet! Keep quiet! I land with a dirty slap.
You don't whine her! Let me see you don't die now!
You didn't whine me?
What are you?
You didn't call me local girl?
Are you not local?
Now the benefits, the maggots.
Will you keep quiet? If you talk to me like that, I'm going to give it.
Ah! Let me see you
Slap
don't die. Oga, wait! Ah! You don't whine?
Slap me.
Yes!
Babe, stop.
You didn't mad. You didn't mad. You didn't mad.
I'll go back for you.
Leave my house.
I'll go back for you.
I said,
I'll go back.
Where she there? Where she there? I go chop your meat. I don't the vex so. This hunting one never do the vex me. They have to manga. You dey mad.
Bring down the gun, please. Just bring down the gun.
When this girl not enter this compound again, I go kill her. I'm not well, no. When I go ask question, I'm not well.
Just go. Just give me the gun.
Leave my gun. I can't die for this and I go beat and die.
Babe!
Anything about
Okoye!
nothing.
Don't
Now you
do that case
say, but
again.
if you can't trouble, come again, you get trouble. Again, you get that trouble. Woto. She not the shake, not at all. She degen. She not the shake, not at all. She degen. She not the fear, not at all. She degen. I got you, go get plenty more. She's a hunter.
Come on, you know what is Papa? Now you get what will I know? Now you get it. Where is she? Where is the guy that attacked my daughter? Where is the bastard? Where is the guy that attacked my daughter? So you? Oh, so this is how you and your father wish to pay me back, huh?
Baby, what did they occur? What did they suck?
So you are the fool, the idiot that attacked my daughter.
With all due respect, Chief, I will not have you insult my wife. No, it will not go down well with us if you try.
How dare you talk to me like that? Eh? Do you know who I am?
Wait, so I don't understand. You tear my husband slap for my presence. My personal Lord and Savior. My God on earth. You dey mad? You dey whine me? You dey mad? You dey mad?
Babe, it's okay. Babe, it's okay, babe. Please, let him go.
Break your heart. Why go tear you slap? Who he be? okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Try and begin go bust your skull, you mad.
Anything about the hunting. Now you sabi.
But if you carry
trouble, come on.
wine.
She not the shake, not at all. She dege. She not the shake, not at all. She dege. She not the fear, not at all. She dege. I got you go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I live. Mama, I got you go get plenty.
Babe, they are the Nigerian police. Please give me the gun. Please.
Why go give them the gun? Eh? Why go give them the gun?
Madam, please. We are not here to make any trouble. Can you bring down your gun, please?
Okay, if I put down this gun, my bend. Instead of my gun to touch ground, I'll give my husband. Ajay.
Officers, arrest her. What are you waiting for?
Just put down the gun. Babe, they are the Nigerian police. You cannot fight with them.
Ha! No go close there, oh. No just go there, oh. Make I tell you, as una dey now, una be like chi for Madam I. And I tell you, man, I just allow Oga, man, allow and give the gun to Oga. If una by violence, you don't whine.
Madam, as you can see, I'm using a calm voice on you. Please, give me the gun or bring it down, please.
I will deal with you. See you? You will rot in jail.
They make mouth, Abi. I go shoot you now. Makukuma go to jail.
No.
This side they fear death.
Please.
This side they fear jail. They fear anybody.
Babe, please don't shoot.
They're mad.
Please, babe, I beg you in the name of God, do not shoot. Do not shoot. The Nigerian police are here. Babe, please just...
Let me say they fear anybody. My husband they respect. So that make me want to drop this gun. Otherwise, if for beef for now.
I say move! I say move! Move! Also, where are you taking my wife's... She already dropped the gun.
Move it! Move it!
Move!
Anything about the hunting. Now you sabi. But if you carry trouble, come on. Again, she not the shake, not at all.
But she's my wife. No matter what, I love her. In her, I found peace.
David, I will not make any call. In fact, send her back to her people. I am done with this conversation.
No way. No way, Dad. It won't happen. She's going nowhere. She loves me. She fights for me. She's all I have. A sister, a mother, a friend, and a wife. All in one. She attacked Chief Dennis when he slapped me. Beat up Bennis and scared all of them away. People that you and I were once afraid of. No way, Dad. It will not happen.
You see, David...
Daddy, there is no way I will allow my pregnant wife sleep in that cell. It's never gonna happen.
She's pregnant?
Daddy, she's pregnant for me.
And Chief Dennis locked her up?
Yes.
Please go upstairs, go get my phone. Come here, please. I'm going to be a grandfather. Hurry up, please bring the phone.
Babe! Babe! Happy birthday to you, my darling wife.
I beg.
Babe, come on. Today is your birthday. Okay, you know what? Just go in there, get dressed. I have a surprise package for you.
I know they follow you go anywhere. Where my gun? David. Where my gun? I don't see bush. Why I go catch better bush meat? I don't even see Hunters Association. I already joined them now. Where my gun? I don't let this see what you they do. You they take me play. Oh.
You are not being serious. You are not. That gun? My dear, kiss it a goodbye.
Make I kiss am a goodbye. You say you dey plan to buy me car, Abi?
Yes, I already ordered for it.
I'm not interested. Keep your order. You see all the cars for this compound. You see this house, I go burn am. I go set at my place. I know well, oh. Go ask question. You tell me.
Yes, I dare you. When I was in your village, treating my uncle, I was a hunter, but I never let it get into my head. This is my house. And what I say, that is what you will do. I pay you 500,000 naira every month, period.
Period, Abi. You don't.
Babe! Babe! God, what is wrong with this girl?
Abi, I tell the phone on play. I go burn this car. I go burn this car. Nothing go stop. I go burn this car. I go burn it. I go burn this car. Make I give me my gun. I go burn this car. I go burn her. I go burn her. Give me my gun. Give me my gun. Give me my gun. When I'm gonna seize my gun for waiting? That gun on my life. I need my.
Babe, what? Stand up. Babe, please stand up. Get me my car key. I said, get me my car key.
Car key, can I burn it? Can I make car key in it?
My friend, go and get me my car key.
Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaro, love you, Jirumaro, Amali Chai for Nanya, Jirumaro, this is your love, Jirumaro, baby, for Nanya, Jirumaro.
How is my wife?
She's getting better.
And the child?
Fine. I think she overstressed herself and lost energy. She should avoid anything handworks.
It's alright. Thank you, doctor.
Welcome.
If I see my gun, I go well. Bush meat the hungry me. I won't use my hands to go catch him.
Doctor, don't worry about that. Please let me see you outside.
It's alright.
Give me my gun. Only week a week. Now small I they do me. Nothing they do me. I want my gun. Hey. This one me
I think you should give her back her gun. Yes. Because psychologically, she's deluded with her job. And you need to allow her make a decision of stopping the job.
But doctor, how can? Look at me. I have everything she wants. We have meat in abundance in this house. How can my wife go hunting? I think this is a spell. And I have to take her for counseling. Me, I will not let her go back to that thick forest. No. No. It's never gonna
you should try and compromise. Understand her from her own point of view.
Yes, because this is what she loved to do. Regardless of whom you are or whom she is to you. Yes, I should learn to groom her and also support her. That's all.
This is hard. Very hard. Like my wife go hunting, carry gun.
Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaro, love you, Jirumaro, Amali Chai for Nanya, Jirumaro, this is your love, Jirumaro.
Thank you. She says I don't wear now. Eh? I don't wear.
Now. You
yes.
now.
See, this is where you try not try am again. No. You know, go understand the kind of love when I get for this God. You know, be spiritual man. You know, get spiritual eye. If you understand what you make, I love this God.
It's okay. So you are fine now.
Hey, I wear full ground. As I did like this now, just show me any bush. Even if you and the family they go kidnap there, you don't want.
There is no forest.
Yeah, you go find out. Oh, thank you, my love.
It's okay.
Hey, I'm not again.
No more again. I am in a safe mood.
Thank you. Let me go now.
This is true love. This is love.
Father, I want you to do something. I want you to do something as it stands. Chief Udoka has dealt with you. His son, David, broke my heart into pieces. Father, are you going to keep calm? Father, that girl insulted us. Are you going to keep calm, Father?
This will not end well, my dear.
Father, I don't want it to end well. David and his father must pay for everything.
Don't worry, my daughter. Don't worry. I know what to do. I certainly know what to do. And how to handle things right now. Chief Udoka will regret it. Yes, he will. And by the time he realizes, it will be too late. Because he will be cooling off in the grave.
And what about David, his son?
For breaking the deal, he will not live to see the end of it. Don't worry yourself. They dare not.
I trust you.
Just one day, one day.
You are playing with fire, Chief Udoka. Don't say I didn't warn you. You can't do anything. Just leave my house.
Not so soon. Sam, you're forgetting something.
There is not a single thing I want to remember.
The deal. We had a deal that you broke. And your son went ahead to pick a mad girl. A common huntress and a daughter of a nobody over my daughter for marriage. You've forgotten that.
Chief Dennis, you provoke me to break your nose right away if you do not leave my house.
Chief Udoka, I dare you.
I will count 3.
I dare you.
1. 2.
I will leave. But you will regret it.
There is nothing to regret. Idiot.
Just one day. just one day.
Oh boy, you funny. I swear down.
Very funny guy.
Listen, my woman can't cook, but she's very good in bed. Yes, she can wine it very well.
And that's the real food.
Of course!
Number one.
She practically won the thing, like, that is the real thing now. You know? You know, you have to eat before you eat.
Baby, Anadeo, well done everybody. Hey.
How can you come to my office like this? And the secretary let you in?
The secretary dey mad when you go allow madam enter, you dey whine. Babe, you know say this your office dey close to the bush wire for the hunt. No be smart you go do for me today. I catch 4 big antelope. I said 3. I go see make I carry one, come give my oga. I go use and knack better pepper soup for you for chopper. You go know say your wife sabi cook.
So you had to stop by looking like this?
Now what type now how I look? Hello, good morning, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
We go see for house.
Davy, what is the meaning of this? The company are trying to grow. You want to turn it upside down? Something wrong with you?
Dad, I didn't know she will appear like that. Sorry about that.
I told you that this will not work. Didn't I tell you? You can't marry that huntress. Huntress. My son married to a huntress? No, you can't marry her.
Dad, I'm sorry about that. It will not happen again.
Definitely it's not going to happen again because you are going to divorce her. You're going to divorce that naive, dirty looking and untamed girl. She can't be my daughter-in-law. It's a disrespect to me.
But I'm sorry. I need to talk to her, please.
Well, it's either you divorce that untamed girl, retain the company and retain my name, or I disown you as my son.
I'll just talk to her.
You can't be ashamed. To me, to my associates, and to my family, you must divorce that girl.
Let me just talk to her. It's
This is your love. Baby,
what's all this?
Look, bro. This lady has a raw passion for what she's doing. Huh? I mean, in law of a big man or not, she's peaceful in her own way. We both know that. I mean, I feel if you drag this thing with her, she might fall sick and probably leave the marriage.
Man, I'm so confused. I love my wife. I love her so much. And I've come to realize a lot. I feel safe. I feel safe around her.
Why not then make a stand? Stand your ground. Tell your father she's the one you want.
I'd lose my father's legacy.
Bro, what then happens to your wife? Huh? Let her go because she's a huntress? Huh? This girl in question told us that her father left this legacy for her. And she intends continuing with it. She's peaceful in her own way. And I'm sure you know that. So why? I feel like if you drag this thing with her again, she might fall ill or probably leave the marriage entirely. She's been hunting since her young age. And right now, all of a sudden, you want to stop that. You want her to stop hunting. Bro, if you ask me, it's a wrong move.
Tired. I'm tired, honestly. I'm tired and confused.
You say you don't want chop. This bush me sweet though. You don't want the roast time now.
Babe.
See, if not about your papa or my haunted business and you want to talk about, no go there. I say go beg you, make this night sweet for us.
Babe, you shouldn't have bumped into my office dressed like one local village hunter. You should have considered the environment, the official environment.
But I don't apologize for this thing now. I don't even talk to say I don't go come to your office dressed like that again.
Hello, Dad. Good evening. Okay. Okay, I will be on my way. Alright, sir. I'm coming. My dad said he wants to see me.
Now?
Yes.
It's late now.
Babe, it's emergency. I need to see him.
Wait. If person say emergency, me say something bad won't happen. What think they stop? Is they sick?
No, nothing wants to happen, but he said it's an emergency. Babe, don't worry, I'll be back before you know it, okay?
Baby, for
I'll be back.
love with you. Omali chai for Nanyagia. This is your love. Baby, for Nanyagia. Love.
Please, Chief Dennis, please, do not kill my son. Let him go, please. That will not happen, Chief Udoka. Yes!
Okay, please, just let him go. He's still a little boy. He doesn't know what life is. Besides, his wife is pregnant. Don't kill him. You can just kill me and save my generation, please.
You are useless to me. I will wipe your entire generation. You know why? Because they will become ungrateful bastards. Chief Udoka, I made you. I made you who you are. And you decided to betray me. I can see you have ungratefulness in your lineage. But I promise you that I'm going to come back for you tonight. And when I do that, you all will be dead.
Chief, please. Chief, why are you doing this? Is it because I refuse to marry your daughter, Benis? Please.
Hell no. But because my daughter died because she was trying to abort your pregnancy. Yes.
I didn't know she was pregnant. I swear.
She died out of her stubbornness. Because I warned her not to abort the baby. But she refused. But you see, all of that doesn't matter anymore. I'm here to waste all of you. You know why? Because you are the genesis of all of this drama. Dada!
Boss!
Go and get his pregnant wife for me.
Yes, that's Chief.
Chief, do that secret!
Please. Bro, please. Bro, please don't hurt my wife. Have it quiet. Shit, Dennis, please, please. It's too late. Baby, please, I beg you.
I said it's too late!
Why my husband phone dey switched off? Eh? Even your papa phone dey switched off too. Wetin dey sup?
It's no more again, no more better. If I'm gonna make it out, no more again. I am in a safe with you. Come love,
Wetin dey happen?
This is true love. This is
Chief, please. Chief, please. Don't kill my wife, please.
Step for here. What you doing, Olga? If you move, I will blow your brain. You shoot my husband. You dey mad? Drop that gun. You dey mad?
I sent my boys to go get you. Where are they?
I don't waste them. They try me. You don't fear. You shoot my Olga.
What?
Ah! Baby. Ah!
Oh God, take it easy. Ow! Ow! Jesus! Ow! Ah!
Sorry, fine man.
Oh! Take it easy. Ow! Ow!
Where's your mother?
She go market. But sir, no worry, I go fit handle the leg. You go where just now? A small thing.
Ow!
Ow!
Sorry, eh? Sorry.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Sorry.
Dad, I'm being serious with what I told you.
Must be out of your mind.
But I am not.
What? You just said she's a female hunter.
I think I love her. Whatever she does that makes her happy, I'm okay by it. I'm beginning to know why my fate brought me here. I never knew that someone could be as kind as Akachi.
David. You will not marry her. Yes, you will not. You just came into this village and
just one day, for a change, I will smile on you. Just one day, just one day, I wanna get your body. One day you will see. I know nothing.
Chief Dennis, at this point, I would like to let you know that my son will make the choice of who to marry by himself.
So what you're trying to say is that my daughter will go just like that?
I have not said so.
Chief Udoka, if you think that your son will be the one to decide on whom to marry, then be ready to pay me the money you're owing me. Remember we had an agreement.
That's fine. Give me 2 days.
It will not be over just like that.
I know.
You will meet your destiny. Helper, just one day. Just one day, your story will turn. Just one day. Just one day, your story will change.
Good, yeah? Hope you didn't miss me that much.
No.
My man. Man, I see you are getting better.
Yes. Nkechi, how are you?
Fine. I can see you're getting better.
Yes, I'm getting better.
My dear, please wait for me in the car, eh? Let me speak to my guy.
Okay.
Father, one
Thank you.
How's it now? So what's up? You said something was bothering you. What is it?
It's my father, Charles. He would not want this relationship to go on. I've tried to speak with him, but he wouldn't see reasons with me.
Man. But how about Benny's?
I don't know. I don't even care to know. See, bro, I feel something special for Akachi. We've been going for hunting together. I see something in her that I would love to go on for the rest of my life. But my father is the problem here. He would not even want us to talk about marriage.
My brother, I really don't know what to tell you right now. Yeah, but as a friend, just follow your heart. I think that's what you have to do. Just follow your heart, man.
I've made up my mind. I'm taking this step for good, bro. So tell me, what's up? You and Nkechi, how's it going?
Bro, all good, eh?
I see.
Everything's going well.
It's the lover man.
My G, got to get well.
Yes,
get well and come back, eh?
Yes.
Miss you.
I'm even happy here.
Calling me a lover man, but you're falling in love. That's why you're happy in the village. Abandoning your business, work, everything.
My business is being taken care of.
Nah, tell yourself, I'm very stupid, useless, and mad at the same time. Repeat after me. Me, Ebuka, what's your papa name? I'm very stupid. Don't go talk.
My friend, stop talking all these things, guys. Stop saying it now. Eh? Please, help me and talk to your cousin sister. Eh? I know I've wronged her, but please, help me and talk to her. Not all these things you're telling me, tell yourself you are stupid. Please, I don't want to lose her now.
Mama, I will not try. Person will they marry next week. People don't come now. You know, you leave relationship, you go they follow neck, we don't give away season. Atapu atachi. Stay there on commercial market.
Izu, I know, I messed up. Talk to her now. She's your cousin sister. She will listen to you.
You're a lazy okay. No, if you tell me say make I beg her again, me you go get issue. She they even they give you bush meat. We like say she supposed to give me make I the Angela 1 or 2. She they give you come and they tell me lazy okay. Don't even try am. They you no even get money. They package you. They make griment.
Izuna.
Zuzuwe.
Now. Papa. I've messed up. Yeah? Which kind of thing be this one? Kawai.
Just one day, just one day. Fortunes always smile on you. Just one day, just one day, one day. I wanna get your body. One day you will see. I wanna see your miracle. I wanna get your body. I wanna your body. I wanna see your body. I wanna get your body. I wanna your body. I wanna one thing must kill a man in this life, but all that matters is for you to be useful in this world. 'Cause one day fortune will fall on you, and one day you will meet your destiny. Helper, just one day.
You say what? I beg, I know we won't hear this song. What's in the top? Me.
Deny say you no do one with me. No, deny now. Deny that you didn't do it with me. Deny.
I know I will do, but we use protection.
Did you do it or not?
I did, but I use protection.
Look at this one. Which rubbish protection? Eh? Who told you that condoms prevent pregnancy? Who told you that one? I beg you.
My dear, if you use protection, okay, now let me ask you, did it burst?
It did not burst. Did you do?
Yes, I do.
Oga, now you give me belle, I beg.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, what is it?
Neka. Ebuka. Hey, Chineke. So this thing that I am hearing is true. So this is true.
What are you hearing?
Yeah, Neka. You came to my house with your mother that I got you pregnant. And I denied it. And now you... Yeah? Ebuka. So you are chopping my girl.
Which your girl? Who is your girl? Every time chop, go they come up forever. You leave me alone.
Oh, Neka, so the two of you are doing this thing. Eh? You think I did not hear what you people were saying? You think I did not hear your conversation? Eh? I heard you clear. So the two of you are doing it.
See, in fact, it's two of you that got me pregnant. It's two of you that got me pregnant.
Yeah?
Hey,
this girl is stupid.
See, none of you is living here. It's two of you that got me pregnant.
But the day when me and you do, I use protection.
Which rubbish protection?
Yeah, you use protection.
You do? You do,
okay,
you know.
I do.
You do. Simple. Now you give me belly. You do.
What's it concern me for this matter?
Do you use protection?
Do you use protection?
Yes, I use.
He said he boss. She say your protection.
I bet say who you go home. No protection. Don't use protection.
Now 12 na do am.
Yeah, Neka.
Go on, leave my house.
I know they agree. Nobody is living here. It's two of you that got me pregnant.
Say who can go in protest? This guy was doing skinny with you.
Were you there?
That one is not my business.
Were you there?
It's two of you. Two of you did.
Where did you buy your condom?
How am I sure that you use condom?
She said I used.
You're making me cross.
I love you so much.
I didn't hear you.
You did. But I can say it over and over again if you want me to. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure you're just playing?
I'm sure.
Hold that thought. I got you something. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Here. Alright.
Should I open them?
You can open now.
A phone! Yes. An iPhone! Thank you so much!
Yes. So that we can be able to communicate.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And please, tell your people to prepare for us. I'll be coming with my people to see them.
Really?
And they should prepare the lists, you know, for the traditional marriage. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. I will tell them.
Alright. So should I drop you off now?
Yes, you can drop me.
Yeah? You like your gift, eh?
I like it.
Baby, Oginekwa, eh? How are you?
Ejike, I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, you can see.
Understand. Me, I thought you've left this village.
Eh? Left this village to where now? No leave, no transfer. I am here. I don't have anywhere I'm going to. Eh? Baby, there's something I want to discuss with you.
With me? Ha. Hope all is well.
All is well. Baby, forget about that man. How to go to that man? Eh? He's fine anyways, but baby, I'm sorry. Eh? I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. Eh? I don't know what happened. I was just misbehaving.
Okay.
Baby, please. Eh? Forgive me. Forgive me. Find a place inside your heart and forgive me. Biko. Eh, baby?
Ejike. Do you know that devil is alive?
Big one.
That man. That bad man.
Hi! Very black man.
He's a liar.
Big one.
But because I'm a child of God, I've forgiven you.
Hey!
Yes, now, forgiving you since.
You mean it?
It's not even today, not even yesterday. What a go.
Hey! You see, this is why I say no other person can have this heart apart from you. Even Jesus Christ, I know, is inside your heart.
Okay.
Hi! Achalu gum. Baby. Let us go.
In the absence of nothing else, there's something I'm doing now. Let me just hurry, What is it? What is it? Why you rape her?
Okay, what?
You want to rape me? What is it? Why are you holding my hands?
Achalu. One, your mom. Baby. See how you are glowing. Eh? See how you are glowing.
I don't have that time because
come back now, my baby. Don't do this.
Not again.
A local girl attacked you?
Dad, that is not even my problem. That is not my problem. Dad, David is in love with that girl. That local girl. That village girl. Dad, can you imagine? David has healed, but he has refused to leave that village.
Forget about him.
Forget about him. Forget him.
Dad, what are you saying? I should forget about him?
Yes.
No way. Do you want me to be a loser? No, Dad. I can't forget about him.
His father has paid me my money. Yes.
Wait, Dad. His father has paid the money.
Yes, he has.
Well, Dad, this is not even my point. It's not my point.
But this is the point. This is the point.
Dad, this is not even the point. It's not the point.
Then what is the point? I told you to behave yourself, but you refused. Now take a look at it. Look at it, Bernice.
Dad, so what are we going to do? I can't lose my man. I can't. Let's do something, please.
Let me think. Let me think of something. Let me think.
Dad, you better think very fast. You better think very fast. Please. I don't want to lose my man. I don't want to be a loser, please.
Just one day. Just one day. For a change, I will smile on you. Just one day, one day, just one day, one day. I wanna get your better. One day you will see. I wanna see your miracle. I wanna get your better. I wanna get better. I wanna see. I wanna get your better. I wanna get better. I wanna see. One thing must kill a man in this life, but all that matters is for you to be useful in this world. 'Cause one day fortune will fall on you, and one day you will meet your destiny. Just one day, just one day, your story will turn. Just one day, just one day.
Nna, it's only again na moto. So Charles actually say be say no na wa. So what do? See tell Charles let him drive with care. Because I don't want anything to happen to this your leg again.
You make you drive fast and furious. Obo, I know. Come,
jelly.
I want you to.
Gonna be here.
See your bushmeat. You see how? Hey. Cook and chop, make you no waste time. Yeah. I go hunt time for you. It makes sense.
It's pepper, you go do on pepper soup, you go do everything.
Because when I got CD and a motor, give it to Zuna, let him put it in the car.
I got Dave.
Don't forget everything I told you. I'll come with my people soon.
Alright. We'll go talk for phone now.
Yes.
Take care.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for your company.
You're welcome.
My God bless you.
Amen.
Well, thank you very much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Oh?
Thank you.
So well done. Oh? You are the chama. Oh? Can I know your
look at his photo.
So well done. Hey!
Let's learn how to hunt. Bend a bit.
Okay.
You target the animal when you want to kill.
Okay.
You close one of your eyes.
Which of my eyes?
The left one.
Okay.
the other open eye on the nozzle of your gun. Then you aim at your target.
Okay.
On the count of 1, 2, 3, go! You don't get a move.
Of course.
You don't whine. That's so. That's so.
That's how we're going to kill all the animals.
Yes, now just 1 bullet you will release. That is it.
Okay, can I use 1 bullet and kill maybe 2 grass cutter?
It depends if the 2 grass cutter dey together.
Okay.
If they together, 1 bullet go knock the both of them.
Wow.
But they separate, you no go fit kill the 2 of them. Now only 1 they go kill.
That's alright. That's alright.
You dey learn quick, oh.
Of course. I'm a fast learner.
Okpetueke.
Okpetueke.
Don't be, oh.
Don't be.
They go whine, you no panic.
Yes, nah. Don't be for
all the animals for this
forest.
Make we dey go.
I got you, go get plenty more.
Which kind of play with that one? What is the sup now? Which kind of play with this one now?
Always on guard.
I do on my guard all the time. No fit take me unaware now.
My baby.
How we say here now?
Let's go.
Any bush meat, she got kill her. I forgot the mother. She got kill her.
I don't miss this.
She got kill her.
I don't miss this bush meat.
What?
And I target him. Where you go now? This one pain me. He pain me. Oh. Very big fat animal. Now I miss like this and I target him.
It's okay. We'll see another one. Come here.
Why did you look me like this?
I love you. You're more than a friend to me.
I love you too. See your mouth. Wait till they kiss. Make we dey go. Since we no see animal, if we come for night, we feel see.
Alright. You know, you've influenced me. I'm now a hunter in your village.
Abi?
What if I call you the hunter's wife?
You're not bad now. If you did with hunter wife, and I'm beside be hunter wife. You're very sweet and funny, yo.
Anything for you. You're so full of life. And I love you for that.
Me, I love you too. Make we dey go before mama go talk say we'll not come back on time.
Alright, let's go. You said Okpetueke.
No be so. Okpetueke.
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 It don't be you.
It don't be you.
They whine. They go whine you, no panic. Make we dey go, my baby.
Let's go, yeah. Sorry. Let us be sure. Are you the one to handle my leg or you are a huntress?
No, mama go handle your leg. Me, I be professional huntress. Certified by the government of Nigeria. I kill bushmeat for a living.
Akachi. Akam. Akachima. Akachi.
Mama.
Hey.
Sorry, I don't hear you. They call me. Oh. Sorry.
I know you're missing your friend David already. But don't worry, he will come back to this village and take you to the city with him.
And I go to hunt for there if I reach city.
Are you okay? Hunt what?
Mommy and you don't talk this matter before now. He agree say if I go city, say I go to hunt, they go. Hey. I go even carry and enter bush. Go hunt for bush meat. That's what me and I talk.
Somebody whose father owns a big company. CEO's son. Akachi.
But now hunter he be now. I don't teach him how to hunt and he grab him.
Anyway, your food is in your room. Huh? I know you must be hungry. God, you know.
Thank you.
Hey!
Akachi go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I get. Mama. Akachi go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I get. Mama. Akachi and bushy, na 5 and 6 yo. Akachi and hunting, na 5 and 6. Any bush meat, she go kill her.
Oh, no, don't reach now. Una quick oh. Now me say Charles the speed oh. Oh, now you drive. Thank God. I just dey think of you. I dey miss you. My head don't full. I go dey lonely this night now. Nobody to dey with, to just wait to eat food with, you know. No wahala.
Yes, I can hear you. I miss you too, my love. No. I'm not hungry at the moment. Hearing your voice alone, I'm okay. Okay. Gist me then. Oh, come on, gist me. Okay, when you get home, you call me. Alright. I love you too. Bye.
Nonsense. See, what you've just said now is arrant nonsense. Ejike, who are you? I said, by the way, who are you? Just look at this boy. Nah, Papa, I am you. Papa, I am you. In fact, I am your carbon copy. Is it not the same character that the two of us have? I am you, Papa. In case you don't know, let me tell you. That girl you want to marry, Nkechi, another man has paid her bride price. A man like you, who is responsible, has paid her bride price. Ejike, upon everything I did to make you responsible, you threw everything to the wind. You actually decided to be irresponsible. You decided to be useless to yourself. Upon every sacrifice that girl did for you, she comes very often. She sweeps, she cooks, she washes entirely. In fact, she takes care of the house chores in this house. Then now look at you. Another man has married her. And you want me to go and beg them? It's not possible. I will never. Nah, Papa. Let me ask you. All these things that you are saying now, are they necessary? Are they necessary, Papa? These things you are saying, they are not necessary. Are you going there with me or not? Are you going with me or not? You're asking me if what I've just said is necessary. Abi? Okay. Answer to your question. I will never go there. Useless son. Papa? Papa? Papa, you are leaving. Papa, you are leaving. Okay. Okay, just go. Go, and when you come back, you will not see anything in this house again. There is even nothing in this. I will sell this house. I will sell this house, Papa. You will not see this house when you come back. You are really leaving, Papa? You are leaving. Okay, go and come back now. Go and come back. You will not see this house again. Chief! You are the chief of all chiefs. Welcome, sir. Hey, you don't tell. Hey, I'm so happy. So happy. Chief of all chiefs. The best chief. I greet you, sir. Where's my son? Okay, side. Chief of all chiefs. You are the best chief. Thank God you will continue to be alive. It shall be well with you in the morning. It shall be well with you in the afternoon. It shall be well with Chief. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Hey, wait. Okay. Your papa. Welcome, sir. Hey. This is where Chief don't come now. All these nonsense will happen here. As first, Chief don't come. He go.
That was the dream I had. It played out so real, like a life situation.
She saved you and I.
That was the portion I remember so well.
Chief, please, don't kill my wife, please.
Step for here. What you doing, Olga? You shoot my husband. You dey mad? Drop that gun. You dey mad?
I sent my boys to go get you. Where are they?
I don't waste them. They try me. You don't fear. You shoot my Olga.
What?
Ah! Baby. Ah!
Yes, that was a dream I had. It was though I wasn't sleeping. It was so clear.
This is the second dream.
Son, that was the second dream. I was surprised. She was ready to, yes, she gave her all. She gave everything to save your life. She saved our yet unborn generation. She fought and fought just the way your mother did. The way your mother fought the cancer with all her breath. That is the kind of woman you need.
So, Dad, what was the deal you had with Chief Dennis?
Well, that you marry his daughter and that he will remove me from his death profile. But fortunately, I didn't know how everything was cleared. It was totally cleared.
This is a bit scary.
No. You'll marry her.
Dad.
I've accepted. She's the kind of woman we need.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you very much.
Yes! Yes! Finally! I am getting married to her. I am getting married to the love of my life.
Never! It will not happen. Holy Ghost fire! Anything will go make you marry that yellow papa, that idiot. When they slap me there, I rejected it. He cannot happen.
No, Okoye, no, she's not the one I'm getting married to. Okay, who? I am getting married to Kachi.
Ah, fine, thank you. As far as not be that idiot.
No.
I am happy with it. Congratulations, sir. Winner.
I feel different, bro.
Yes, I feel different too.
I am so happy.
I'm happy too.
Thank you, Dad.
That idiot, when they slap me in the hand.
Wait. Where are you going to? Are you forgetting your duty post?
Out of a statement. A settlement. Sorry.
I know.
You go back,
Thank you, Dad.
Sorry. What? I feel good too.
Yeah, I know.
I feel. Come on. What are you supposed to be?
Bye, Dad.
Get. Thank you. I am that idiot.
Hold on, this is not what that it was.
Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaro, love you, Jirumaro,
Babe, no. Babe, please don't stress yourself. I am coming to your house tomorrow, and you want to go for hunting tonight with your group. I am coming to pay your dowry. Yes. I'm coming with my father and few of my friends. Yes, I cannot wait to be your husband. Of course, we'll do the traditional marriage and other things. Alright, babe. I love you so much. I can't wait to see you. You don't whine? Alright, I love you so much. Please do not go for hunting tonight. Can you do that for me? Alright, thank you. I love you.
Is it going back? No. Let me go and see her in Nollywood, whatever it is. This invitation. Let me see her.
Okay. So, at your age, you know if you convince your sister, make you no marry that guy way in mind.
Why? Just give me reason. Just put them in the way, put the lines. We bless you. I go understand. I want to put my time and do it. Hi. No talk now. If they want talk something, you go straight to the point. Make my sister leave who from city come. Who want marry her? Make he leave who go put her for arrange her life. Come marry you where they find free opwe. Pepeli. No, you no fit work.
So because I dey bring you around, you dey say me and you nah, we don't dey. Because I dey beg you. See, make I tell you. You see that your sister, you see that marriage? That marriage no go work. I go do anything within my power to make sure two of them no marry. Bet me.
If you want shake me well. That's what they do. You know, nothing. You know if you do anything. If you cough, we'll go tie you for nylon. Shake me well again. I say you cannot do anything, senior man.
Nai, I have heard everything you said. Well, we are not fighting, no. We are still one big happy family. No?
Honestly, I'm very sorry the way I treated you. I sincerely apologize. Huh? Can you believe that useless, stupid son of mine stole my money and ran away with it?
Huh? You don't mean it. Hi. Chai. Ndo. It is well. No, don't worry. I believe that he will change for good one day.
When?
Huh?
When will he change? If he finish that money now in the city, he will run back to this village and start running around with all these small girls in this village.
Nani, don't worry. It is well. Huh? It is well. Nani, has Akachi reached out to you? Her husband people are coming today with her. Yes.
Huh?
Today.
Wait. Akachi is getting married.
Yes, so that's how we saw it.
You didn't tell me on time.
I told her to reach out to you and her other uncles. Huh?
Hey, it's a good news.
Yes.
Wonderful. Oh, wait. Akachi is getting married. Hey. So we are expecting our in-laws this evening.
Wow.
I'm so happy.
So, Naibiko, you have to be here.
Yeah, I should be here. See, I had an appointment already. Honestly, I have a place I wanted to go to, but I will cancel everything for this one that is happening right under my nose. No, I will not miss it.
Yes,
I will not miss it.
You have to be here because that's why you're her uncle.
Go see me. In fact, let me begin to go home and get prepared for this.
Yes,
it's a good news.
Yes.
Akachi is getting married.
She is.
Let me go and come. All right.
Before 4, you should be here.
No, I will be here. Even before 4, I will be here. All right.
Hey, take it easy.
What is happening here?
Hey, Naibe. They're coming now. We are waiting for them.
Okay.
They're on their way already.
Okay, that's good. What of your boy? There's no seats here.
Yes, my baby. My sweetheart, my love. Make I run am for you. Better bushmeat. I dare for you. You trust me now? Don't worry, you go like am. Trust me now. You go gang. Alright, see you soon.
Hi. Adam na.
The day close.
Hi.
Akachi is so excited.
Yes, so.
Izuna.
Hey.
Hey, whoa! I have even forgotten that I sent him on an errand. I told him to go and look for that.
It's very important.
Very.
Hey!
Down!
Move it!
Hold it there! Move!
Let them go very well.
Don't shoot me, please.
Let's go.
Don't shoot me, please. Move. Don't shoot me. Please. Do not shoot me.
Down.
Please.
Mama, when we talk, they say them day close. See the day close to Archie Junction.
Call him again now.
If they're at Archie Junction, they are very close now.
His phone is switched off. Mama, after 2 hours.
Just calm down.
What is happening?
It is well. You know what? Let us wait for Izuna to come. If it's Archie Junction, maybe their motor developed fault or
Archie Junction, okay, there. Well, let's wait now.
Mama, after 2 hours. Mama.
Don't worry. Your marriage must hold. Don't worry, sure back. Izuna Jebaleba. Relax your mind.
Please, we're going for my son's marriage. Please.
You shut up. Shut up.
Dad, please. It's okay.
Please, what do you want? What do you want us to give to you people? We are ready to pay anything. Just name it. But please don't kill us. Please. You brought us to this bush. You brought us to this bush.
Shut the fuck up!
Huh?
Keep it quiet!
Said anything. Please, what do you want?
Shut the fuck up.
But Chairman,
shut up.
No, let her make the... Say something now. Please. Make your demands.
Kingdom. Gather all the hunters. Make them enter that bush, go wait for me. They didn't mad, kidnap my husband on my marriage day. What did they stop now? For waiting.
You want float there go?
Akachi, you're not going anywhere. Akachi, you will not go anywhere, Mba. You're not going anywhere.
Mama, what are you there yarn now? They carry my future husband. That one not reach a kid, that be Papa join. For waiting, who they be? Akachi, don't be.
Mommy, sit down. Wait.
Mama, Akachi, leave them, let them go. Leave them, let them go. Do you actually know what the police people told us? That they're not going anywhere unless they have an order.
Just imagine. Absolute nonsense.
Can you come in this? Let them go. If they reach there, let them finish everything of Yama. When I reach it. I'm telling you.
Chimo, see, let me tell you, those kidnappers can never go scot-free. My only child! Hey! Also one!
Hey!
No,
Hey!
don't try.
Hey!
They are not kidnappers. They are not kidnappers.
They are not kidnappers?
Yes.
If not, they would have made their demand.
Yes.
But are they going to kill us? Are we going to die?
I think someone is more interested in our lives. Yes.
Chief Dennis?
Yes. Yes. Some time ago, I knew he was into this kind of bad business. And I warned him to stop. He claimed he had, but I knew he didn't. So I had to go to bank to get a loan to pay the debt off. Yes, he must be.
You guys will be pushed out tonight. Yes.
Now listen.
I'll never see anything.
Listen. We are here to remove the important parts of your body. Yes. And leave your rubbish skeleton inside this bush.
No, son.
Who's your son? You old fool. One more word from you, I will blow your skull.
Just tell us what you want. We'll make up.
Keep quiet.
Ryan, be your friend. Come on, put the gun down, you're mad. I said, put the gun down. Go down. You don't fear the kidnapper, Oga. You dey mad? You dey mad? You dey mad? Baby, they okay?
Babe, how did you know that we are here? They took our phones.
I hear rumors say they carry una. All the bush for this place has sabi the area. Now follow. I show.
Do not get
down. Mad. You don't fear. You don't fear.
Your wife will get those. Your wife will get. Your wife will get.
I beg now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I beg. Come on,
untie them.
Dad, they're not picking my calls. What's happening?
Something must definitely be wrong somewhere. And they cannot compromise the work. Call again.
I'm calling. They're not picking. They're still not picking my calls. What is going on?
Good day, Chief.
Good day, officers.
We are men from the kidnapping unit. I'm Inspector John, and here is my colleague. We have one of your boys in our custody, and you have to follow us down to the station now.
One of my boys in your custody. I doubt if I have any boys that should be in your custody,
Yes.
officer.
Yes.
Good. Why not go and check by yourself?
Officers, we can actually settle this here and now.
Chief, I respected you because you are a chief, but that does not give you that privilege to decision. Move with us now.
Dad, call your lawyer. Call your lawyer, please. Dad,
Chief, I move. I say move.
Dad, move. Dad, move.
Let me
do what you do first.
Dad, move.
I say move.
Dad, move.
Follow.
I'm not someone. Dad,
Move.
I
said move.
I don't know what you people are talking about.
Move.
I don't know what you people are talking about. Dad, move.
Just one day.
I said move.
Just one day. For a change, I will smile on you. Just one day. One day. Just one day. One day. I'm gonna get you better. One day you will see. I'm gonna see your miracle. I'm gonna get you better. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna get you better. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna. got you go get plenty more. She's a hunter, hunter when I fear. I got you go get plenty more. She's a hunter, hunter when I fear. I got you ambushing, na 5 and 6 years. I got you I'm hunting, na 5 and 6. Any bush meeting, she go kill her, hold her for hand. I forgot him, brother. She go kill her, hold her for hand. I will go there, she go kill her, hold her for hand. I will go down where she go kill her, hold her. I got you, she go kill her, hold her for hand. Anything about the hunting, now you sabi. But if you carry trouble, come. Again, you can sabu. Again, you can